strength. Wait and win. Time and price tell you when. Breathe it out. It's time to clock into the rocket student night shift. Night shift. Oh yeah. It's student night shift. Night shift. It's the night shift, baby. Rocket student night shift. Night shift. Rocket student night shift.
Welcome back to the night shift. What's going on, fam? How's everybody doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you find yourself on this big, beautiful world. I hope that you're having an absolutely fantastic day on this Memorial Day weekend here in the U.S. Holiday weekend, kicking it off. A little bit of a crazy trading week this week. Markets only open tonight and tomorrow morning until, I want to say noon Central Time, so 1 p.m. Eastern. So welcome back, guys. Hope you had a great weekend. I had a fantastic weekend. It was so good, so restful. Had some fun. Got to go out, hang out with iDoc, Matt, Lady Darb. We had a good time. Got to just rest. Yesterday, it rained and poured here in the Houston area literally all day long. We just sat on the couch, watched shows, vegged out, broke our diet in a really bad way. But we're back now. I'm so happy to be here. Took a payout on Friday from NextGen, my first payout from NextGen, a $750 payout. That was awesome. They were super easy to work with. Got everything squared away, and it hit my PayPal account, I don't know, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes after I requested the payout. It was very freaking awesome. What else happened this weekend? Oh, passed an Alpha Futures account. A 50K Alpha Futures account got passed. That was good. And Alpha Futures reset the other account that got blown up. I'll show you that. This account right here on the screen right here, it shows that it's a blown up account, but they actually reset it. It's not blown up. It has a red arrow, a red dot next to it, because this was an account that I was trading on Friday, and their platform is still got a lot of bugs and issues. I got into a position, couldn't close it, and it ended up getting breached, but they reset it, so it's back to 50% consistency profit target. This account here is the one that is passed. I just did the KYC verification on it, and I'm waiting for it to get approved, and it will get activated to a SIM-funded account, SIM-funded 50K. And then they handed out everyone a free 50K account that has been using Alpha Trader for just hey, sorry, the platform's kind of buggy right now. Here's a free 50K. So all in all, I have 4 50K accounts now with Alpha Futures. I have 3 evaluations, and this one is now a funded account. Once it gets upgraded, it'll say it. I'm just waiting on the verification to go through, and once it's done, I'll activate it, and then I'll have 1 funded and 3 50K evals. What else we got? We got our 50K take profit accounts over here. Take profit, these are both passed now, and so this is day 3 of the flip. of these 50Ks. So I'm going to keep jabbing. I'm going to keep jabbing at take profit. I want to get to those daily payouts and uncapped payouts. So we're going to keep stabbing at this. I flipped these right as the market opened, just clicked buy real quick, flipped them, and they're good to go. So I have 2 days of flipping on here, and then those will be activated and be able to take another stab at getting those done. So we have, let's just recount. We've got the next gen. This is a, this one I actually traded early tonight. I tried to take a short off a DD band, and it didn't hit the daily loss limit on this. So I still have 4K buffer on here. It was like 4,800 was my buffer, and I hit the $800 and something buffer daily loss limit there. So still basically 4K of buffer here on this. I have to trade this one for 7 more days to get a $750 payout again on that. I'm just going to try and milk $750 payouts off of this account as long as I can and see what happens. Hold on one second. Sorry, just talking. Lady Darb was asking me about dinner. So that's where I'm standing on all the accounts. I've got one Next Gen Live funded account. These take profits are funded, but I just have to flip for 2 more days after today. So Tuesday, I'll flip for tomorrow night's stream, on Tuesday night's stream, and then Wednesday. Hopefully Wednesday or Thursday sometime I'll be able to start trading these again. So that's where we are. And then all of the alpha futures. I'm a little frustrated with alpha futures right now because their platform is still wonky. You can see we're into a new hour here, and it still shows as though like this is the last 5-minute candle from Friday. This is all. Let me show you the information we're missing. We're missing all of this information. All of this candle data that you see on my TradingView platform here, it doesn't exist. It's just not there. It doesn't matter how many times you refresh. If I change charts, it just goes to the most recent candle, and I have no other candle information to work with. So their Alpha Trader platform is still not, whatever happened this weekend that they needed to get done, didn't really get done. It's still super buggy, and there's no candle information to work with. So I can't trade my next gen account. So I'm just going to be using this right here as my charting platform. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a DOM and see if I can move the DOM over here onto this window. Let me see if I can just do that real quick. How do I add? Can I add DOM? Okay. And then how do I do this? Okay, and then I can take this and shrink it down. No. Can I get rid of the chart? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Okay, so the DOM is all I've got left. Get rid of this. Get rid of the trade panel, maybe? Oh, didn't want to do that. Okay, now what do I do? How do I add something back? Trading charts. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Let me go to layouts. Save. Let me go back to this one. Okay. Let's not close. Don't close the main X. Don't close the trade panel. We just need to close the chart, and then I need to add a DOM. Get rid of the orders, and then if I bring this, no. This is the other thing. Like, I want to be able just to make it work the way it's supposed to work. Okay. How's that? Will that work? You can't see You can't see my order screen down here, sadly. Can I bring this up? Hold on. I should have gotten this ready before. I'm sorry, guys. I was trying to figure out, like, I just need to be able. You're not going to be able to see my orders, but I'm going to keep the DOM over here so I can enter and exit. Sadly. All right, but I'm going to use TradingView. Sometimes I'm going to use TradingView for my charting because the alpha platform sucks. The charts suck. I can't see any data. It doesn't have the most recent data, so I'm just going to use the DOM. And I'm gonna work on this eval here for right now. Okay, hopefully they're gonna get Alpha Trader worked out. I'm gonna give them just a couple more days with Alpha Trader, and then I'm gonna just probably dump Alpha Trader and go back to Trade-A-Bait because this is an extremely frustrating experience to have to be dealing with all the time. All right, let me get in. Let me get into chat here and say hello to some people, and then we can jump into all the good stuff. Trady, CU Payi. I don't even know how to say your name. Mrs. Dollar, Nasus Trades, Mark Tom Frank, 1 Milli Mil, LSG, Trade with Kuro, Trader 007 and Q. What's going on? Iron Pigeon Investing, Kevin X, Leo Energy, Skeety Trader, Green Hunters. I think I said Iron Pigeon Investing. If I didn't, I said it again. Background Noise, what's up? Farina Ballerina, hello, beautiful. Terry in San Francisco, Rogue of the Lamb, what's going on? Bear Trader, Thurgood, Mr. 21, Reds Everyday Dog Training, KH Mew Light, Fifth Lucid Payout coming soon. Move to live. Let's go, baby. Let's go. David Madrid. Who else we got? JJ Redbird, what's going on? Fraser, what's up, dude? Adam Daz. Wildman Viper, Luca 801FX, Zero Trader, Mitchell X, Dave Mack, what's up? Andres Bruno, Matty Matoski, the man, the myth, the legend. We had a great time. I'll tell you all about that in a minute. TII, Dave Mack, USMC, Wagsgrams, Keg Get Gone, Braille AR, what's going on? Toasty, Kapil, Thunder Donkey, Spyro, Goobers, Christy Naya, Redo, I think is how you say it. What's up, Kyle? How you doing? Drop Straights, broke your diet as I ate soft carrots. No. That's never going to be how I break a diet. Never. Rocky Mountain Traders, what's going on? Miss Goldfire, Bank Robber Trading, Matster, Gabe, Rifu, 8665. I have refreshed multiple times. It don't work. It's just busted. The BK Dot, Malcazar Falcon, Ciso DeCenzo, Doodah, Liquidity Operator. What's going on? Corey, the Ripper A. Who else we got in here? I'm just scrolling through, seeing names I haven't said yet. Alternator, Black Magic Trading, Wancho Man. Took your fifth payout on Lucid Lighting, got moved to live. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Rain, 8778. LWM, SGM, Ezzy4U, Cheryl, Abel Benitez, Ryan Hunter, Running on Empty, Biggest, Wickest, Magnet Trades, Greedy Does It Better, Solo Futures Trader, The Global Summary, Sherman McLean, Lubricated Lightning, Acash Biswal, Croatian Sensation, Vassan 475, the DJ Day Trader, what's up? I Trade Rocket Scooter, how you doing? Josh M 1985, MCC, Brad Allen, what's going on? Somebody, good to see you back. You were born for live streaming, listening to your ad off these names. Thank you, man. It takes practice. I'm getting a little stuffy. I probably sound a little nasally. I don't know why. I'm just congested. It's just stuff that won't go away, but it's just hanging on for dear life. Bourbon, the Rib Trader. Who else we got? Venusius Miguel, Katie, Kids Vibes, Funny for You, Mike Hawksmall, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, that's the bottom of the list. We made it all the way through. Welcome in, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Do me a favor. We have some great accounts that we want to give away to you guys tonight. We've got five prop firm evals. In fact, let me just rattle off what we got. We have 2 funded seat, 1 step daily pro 25K accounts. We've got 2 my funded futures 25K rapid accounts, and we've got 1 Tradeify 50K growth account. That's what I'm talking about. Baller accounts tonight, 5 of them to give to you guys. So glad that you're here with me. Well, let me get on top chat over here. Hold on. I'm not on top chat on this. There we go. Am I growing a beard? I'm kind of always growing a beard. I just knock it down. And this weekend, it's a holiday weekend. I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm not going to knock it down. So it's just a lot of gray and white. I'm getting ready for Christmas. I'm going to grow it out. I'm going to have a big old bushy white beard for Christmas this year. I'm going to play Santa Claus for my grandbabies. Oh, man. All right. We had a massive gap up over the weekend. 100, like on NQ here, we gapped up 150 points, and then from the open, we've already run another 150 points. So we're up 300 points from Friday's close. Big gap up. We've made new all-time highs on NQ. ES has not quite, the blue line right here is all-time highs on ES, so not quite new all-time highs on ES, but I suspect that probably won't last too much longer. We opened, ran right to DD band, paused, pushed through DD band, and now we're trading above DD band on the first day of the week at the market open, trading above DD band. That's crazy. So big gap up, obviously very bullish price action. The Iran deal, I think, is kind of what's pushing everything up right now. Man, sorry about that, guys. Just got, just the cough from that I was fighting all week last week is still catching up with me. So I'm gonna try not to clear my throat too much in the mic tonight. But if I do, I apologize. I know it's not professional, but it is what it is. So big gap up, trading above DD band. ES is not trading above DD band. In fact, ES is probably, you've got a yellow line margin buffer limit and DD band above. If we push higher, that could be a potential short. I didn't put the box. I need to put my box on here for the new week opening gap on new week opening gap here on. I thought I put this on earlier, but I guess I didn't. Let me just put this in. INWOG, new week opening gap for 525. There we go. We'll lock that down. There. New week opening gap. Again, we've got all-time highs is this dotted blue line right here, and then we've got margin buffer limit yellow line. We've got DD band above us. For me, I don't even know if I want to trade. I tried to take a stab off of DD band short on NQ on my next gen account. It didn't work. I did get my take profits flipped and in profit, so they're good to go. So I'm just going to be working on my alpha accounts. I've got my alpha trader accounts up here above my head, and we'll be working with MNQ. And you can't see, but maybe when I put a trade on here, it'll come up. I'm not exactly sure how this is going to look. The alpha trader platform is just still a little wonky. It's just not cleaned up. It's missing a lot of the all of the candles up into the last 5-minute candle doesn't even exist on the platform. So it's just not I'm hopeful that even orders that I put in are going to go through. We'll find out if we ever get into a trade tonight. I don't know that I don't know if I want to be super aggressive here tonight. I feel like we could see lower volume and just a very tight range. Once we get into the Tokyo with the New York session, it's a bank holiday in the States tomorrow. So what that means is most people that are normal, like institutional traders, probably are not going to be trading a lot in the morning session, if at all. So what that means is the book could be very thin, which means the volume could be very low, and you could see some very whippy price action, even though there's not a lot of volume coming in. So you need to be careful. It may be wise. Let's say right now you're in a position to be taking a payout. Maybe tomorrow you need $100 or $200 left on an account to flip to get to your payout or to pass an evaluation. Can I just say, would it be the end of the world if you waited an extra 24 hours until you traded on Tuesday? It wouldn't kill you. It wouldn't kill you, which is why I may not even be taking a trade tonight. I just don't even know. We'll have to play the Do You Even Trade Bros song a couple of times tonight because I just don't know if I want to participate in this action right now. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, bullish price action, big gap. We didn't even try to fill the gap. We opened and just shot up. So my guess is this gap gets tested at some point early in the week. Maybe tomorrow for New York, maybe London, maybe it's Tuesday. Maybe Monday just rips and then Tuesday we come down. I don't know. I don't think this gap goes unfilled, I guess is the best way to say that. So, and whether that's today, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I don't know. But I would anticipate this gap gets retested. Whether it gets filled or not, I don't know. But at least we come back down. That doesn't mean I'm bearish right now. If anything, I probably will wait until Tokyo, the first 15 minutes of Tokyo, and see what happens at the top of the next hour. But right now, I'm fine with just sitting on my hands and hanging out with you guys. So with that said, I know I've been ignoring chat. Let me jump into chat and see what's going on.
Let it run.
Could you please explain what DD band is? So DD band is it's a price distance away from the previous day close, the last print price on Friday, which on NQ was 29,528.75 is where we closed at on Friday. And so the DD band is calculated from the Rocket Scooter algorithm. It looks at the margin requirements that the CME group, which is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange Group, which runs the futures data. They update their margin requirements at the end of every trading session for the next coming session. And so what Rocket Scooter does, and they publish the algorithm, the math, the equation that they use to determine how that's going to be calculated. They have all that information on their website. You can go in and dig around and find the actual equation. And Rocket Scooter Matt reverse engineered that equation to figure out how to calculate what the margin requirements would be. And with that in mind, has come up with what's called a risk interval. And it's a specific price distance that when price moves that far from the previous day's close, it's going to fight there. There's going to be a high volume pivot right there based on margin requirements and how far price has moved and how people are going to feel pain depending on margin requirements when price moves a certain distance. Okay? So the DD band is a risk interval band. DD just stands for doomsday. It's a code word that they put on when they were programming the platform and it just stuck. Instead of calling it a risk interval band, they called it a DD band. Our statistics that in normal market conditions, only 4% of days will close above the upper DD band, and only 8% of days will close below the lower DD band. And so what that means is we can use these as high volume pivots along with other confluence indicators to tell us the strength of the underlying market. Taking a short off of DD band, there's reasons that you might want to do that in a very bullish market. That probably wasn't the best play, but for me, seeing a big gap up and it rushed up the DD band, I was hoping we would get a pullback initially tonight. That's why I took that first trade short. It ended up not working out. Took a daily loss on that. And so I've been sitting on my hands since then. Haven't done anything else. But that's what the DD bands are. Drops Trade says sorry, I'm just scrolling back up. Cold diffuser and get thyme essential oil to add to the water. It will knock that congestion and cold right out. Well, I'll make sure Lady Darb gets that message so she can nurse me up. The dynamic levels are updated. Yeah, so the dynamic overnight hedge pressure is at the lower DD band, and then monthly hedge pressure is way out of bounds. Several hundred points, basically 1,000 points underneath where we are right now. ES, I'll show you the ES levels here. ES DD bands are sitting above us still at 75.50 and a quarter. The lower DD band is at 74.18 and a quarter. And then you've got dynamic hedge pressure pretty far out of bounds as well already right now. Basically 100 points away from current price action. And then the monthly hedge pressure is even lower than that. So significantly lower than that. So there's your levels that we're working with tonight. Really, we're just going to be watching the DD band, how price interacts in and around that. Let me scroll this out here. Let me get this text added in as well. New week opening gap, 525. Let me lock that in. All right, there we go. Yeah, the Alpha Trader is very reminiscent of the Project X launch. It's just not going super well. Do I have a tutorial video on how to set up the VARS indicator? So the VARS indicator is not a rocket scooter tool. It was created by one of our members, Kyle, who is an admin and an employee of PropScore. It's just something that he coded inside of TradingView. So it's only available right now inside TradingView. Basically, it's a volume weighted average price is that red line right there. And the two bands that you see, the inside band is half of a risk interval up here. And then the other distance is a full risk interval to the top from the volume weighted price, average price. Okay. The way you set that up is inside of your, if you wanted to try to play around with this, I'm still forward testing it, so I don't have a lot of data on it or really experience trading around it or with it yet. But your band distance 1 is the inside band, and that's half of a risk interval. And then the band distance 2 is the outside band. That's the full risk interval. And these numbers change this full risk interval changes every day, theoretically. It might be 249.5 all week, or it could go up to 0.75. It could go up to 250. It could go down to 248. But it's something that's updated. It's not going to be more than a point or two off than what you see right here. And if it does change, I just come in. The Rocket Scooter platform. Let me show you that. The Rocket Scooter platform, the risk interval page on the Rocket Scooter platform shows you what the risk interval numbers are for the micro or ES, MNQ, ES, NQ, MNQ, MES, all that kind of stuff. So 66 is the risk interval number for ES or MES, and 249.50 is the risk interval for the MNQ. So this number gets updated every day from the Rocket Scooter platform, and that's what the risk interval is based off of. That's how we calculate the DD bands. So there you go. Let me get back over here to TradingView. There we go. Pushing higher here at the bottom of the half hour. Speaking of the bottom of the half hour, how was y'all's Friday? Were you red? Were you green? Did anybody pass any evals? Did anybody request any payouts going into the weekend? Were there any breached accounts that we need to pause and remember tonight? Let me know in the chat right now, and then we'll take a moment and remember those fallen soldiers. What advice? Eben Stone says, what advice on risk management would you give on trading a 25K account, minis or micros? It just depends, Eben Stone. Like that's a question that you have to answer for yourself about what your budget is every month, how much you're willing to spend across all accounts every month. I calculate my drawdown per my monthly budget, not per account. So I trade the evaluations a little bit more aggressively to get them funded, especially when I have funded accounts that are close to or are receiving payouts every week. I'm going to risk and be a little bit more aggressive on the evaluations than I would be if I didn't have any funded accounts. So in general, let's say I'm trading a 25K funded account. I'm probably only risking 2 to 3 micros max on a 25K. If I was going to get really aggressive, like 5 micros on a 25K, that's getting really, really, really aggressive. But you have to decide, what is your stop loss? What is your risk per trade that you want to take? How many trades do you want to lose before you blow up a 25K account? 4, 5, 6, 10. So if you have a 25K account and you have $1,000 drawdown, how many losses are you willing to give yourself before that account blows up? Divide that number by 1,000, and then that's your risk per trade, and then you can just calculate your micros based on that. Alpha, yeah, Rocky Mountain Trader says, I will say Alpha has done a much better job of taking care of all their customers. If their platform is the reason you're getting breached because you can't close orders or see orders on your screen, they're resetting accounts or giving you brand new free accounts. So they're really great right now. They're handling it really well. They do have a sale going on as well, 25% off all accounts. We'll talk about the sales we got some great sales going all around. Emil says you breached an account. Oh man, mass clutch past the TPT, nice. Need 3 more 20 days for my first payout. I'm not sure what 3 more 20 days means. AKA Brad, the dynamic levels are very different from the ones on Discord. I think I've got the right levels. Let me go check. Futures. The futures levels. Hold on. Maybe I don't have the right ones. Let me get back over here. Thank you for updating that. Hold on. I must have been looking at the previous day something. Where's dynamic HP? It's way down here. It's 604. Yeah, it's way up there. Sorry, guys. My bad. I was looking at the wrong day. 604.25 and then 086.31. 29. This one is still way out of bounds. And then ES just broke all-time highs right there, by the way. 96.02. Thank you for reminding me to check that. Sorry, where's my cursor? Where'd it go? There it is. 94.9602. We'll just say 96, and then 41.50. There you go. All right, there we go. Those are the updated levels. All right, ES pushing up now into the yellow margin buffer line and a DD band. Be interesting to see what happens as ES approaches that level right there. Would I consider taking a short? Not really. I'm also interested to see how price responds as it reaches up into this half risk interval from the VARS band. Might be willing to kind of to see, just maybe forward test with a couple little micros or something on that. Thank you for that. 850 needed to pass. Nice. Apex payout too late. Oof. Didn't take any trade on Friday. Nice. Breached a 100K flex. Waiting for your TPT dash to update to upgrade to funded. $400 in cash account. Nice. Passed 3 evals last week. Good job, M. Will. Terry in San Fran said I passed my first eval in 3 months of trying. Let's go, Terry. Way to go. Preservation Friday for drops. That's a good idea. Lucas, hey crew, what's going on, man? Ian, Green Friday, blew a funded seat funded. Ooh, sorry about that. Good on trading camp. Accounts fell out of the top 1,000 of the Tradeify Grand Cup in the final hours. Dang, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. Nice haircut. Was that during the party last Friday? Oh, yeah. So I got a haircut before we went out Friday night. I'll show you those pictures. Dave took a payout. I'm about $200 away from having all 5 Lucid accounts funded, some of them moving along nicely already. Way to go, Dave. Kyle took your boy took a $1,500 payout from NextGen on another of my funded accounts 2 days after my very first payout ever, also from him. Let's go, Kyle. Trey with Kura says, lost my 100K funded. Get me one, I'm depressed. Well, hang in there, man. We're giving away 5 funded. We're giving away 5 accounts tonight, so you might win one. What else we got here? We've mooned like 300 points. I know. It's been a crazy open, hasn't it? Low volume, extremely low volume, holiday weekend. News of the Iran deal seems to be pushing the market higher here. Let me see what's going on ES. ES, I would not want to be shorting until ES gets up into this zone here. I wouldn't want to just blind short this. I also don't want to chase along up into that anymore either. So, like I said, I think I'm probably not going to do anything unless we get a quick pump up to that VARS line. I think I might try to take a short there, just to try it out, just as a forward test here on this one of these evals over here. Beyond that, I'll probably just wait till the Tokyo Open. I sound like Homelander? What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. What do you mean I sound like Homelander? What's up, Shivax? How you doing? Big dump coming, you think? Could be. I don't know, man. It feels pretty strong right now. I had a great weekend. Let's go ahead and take a pause. We're at the bottom of the hour. Looks like there were some accounts we need to remember. I did not have any accounts blow up Friday. Thank God. Everything was green. We took payouts. But I know that there were some of you that lost and breached some accounts on Friday. So let's just pause. And it feels even more appropriate this Memorial Day weekend in the States as well. So we shall remember.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we could learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you, little buddies. We salute you, little buddies. You did your jobs. You followed your orders. Turn that music down a little bit. Sorry, that was a little louder than I normally keep it. You got to tell me about that, guys. You got to tell me about that. Thank you, Drops. I'll look into the cold diffuser. We used to do some of the essential oil stuff. Hopefully, we'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot. What's up, Dan? How's your weekend, buddy? All right, so I don't know if you saw, but I had a birthday about 2 weeks ago, and filled with deliciousness. Nice. Had a birthday a couple weeks ago. We were supposed to. Matt was going to take me and Lady Darb and IDoc out that weekend, but the ladies were sick, and so we pushed it to this weekend. And I didn't know what we were doing, but we went out Friday night, and we went to this like small little intimate theater, and we watched this show called Drunk Pirates. It was freaking hilarious. So in the show, so it's like 5 actors, and they redo like they did Treasure Island, like Robinson Crusoe's Treasure Island is like an adaptation of it. But it's just a comedy, and one of the pirates, one of the actors, gets drunk and tries to do the show and flubs his lines and slurs his speech. And they involve the audience in different challenges, and if he loses, he has to drink more and get more hammered. And in one of the challenges, they had me chug a beer in one of the challenges. And I did it in literally like 3 seconds. Chugged the whole beer in like 3 seconds. It was crazy. If you follow Matt's Twitter, he got video of it and posted it on Twitter. You can go check it out. It's pretty cool. But we had a great time hanging out with them. It was so fun. Freaking hilarious show. We ended up getting drinks after that. I was not hungover, not even close. You saw us smash that beer. Dude, I chugged that beer. So there's a little trick. So like when they gave me the beer, I kind of shook it up. It's not on the camera, but he handed it to me, and while I was walking to my position, I kind of shook it up so that when I could open it and go, it was already like going to have a lot of pressure. And then you just squeeze the can, and everything just comes through, and you just swallow as fast as you can. You're literally done in like 3 seconds. It was fantastic. But we had a great time with them, hanging out. They're so cool. It's always a good time hanging out with them. The beer tickler, yeah. You got to go check out the videos. It's so fun, man. We had a great time. So the same actors, this little theater, they do like Drunk Shakespeare, Drunk Christmas Carol, Drunk Dracula, Drunk Pirates. So they have all of these different shows, so you can keep going back and see different shows. And you can order drinks, and they bring you drinks down while the show's going on. But literally, you're like, you can just reach out and touch the actors. It's like this, I don't know, the floor is maybe like 10 feet wide that they act on. And there's like seats on either side of the stage, the room that you're in. You know, it's like there's seats over there, there's seats over here, and they act in the middle. It's just cool, man. It was a great time. It was so fun. What's up, Turban Joe? How you doing, guys? Smash that like button. We got to get to 400 likes. We're at 200 right now. Once we get to 400 likes, we'll start the giveaways. We've got 5 accounts to give away tonight. We've got a funded seat. We have 2 25K one-step daily pro funded seat accounts to give away tonight. We have 2 My Funded Futures, 25K Rapid. Those are the highest ranking accounts on Prop Score. 2 of those. And we've got a Tradeify 50K growth account. Speaking of Tradeify, how many of you guys made it into the top 1,000 for the Tradeify Grand Cup? How many of you guys made it into the knockout round? You blew that, Kyle. You blew that thing on day one. I blew it on day two. You hit your drawdown on the Grand Cup. Nice. I know Matt made it in. Yeah, Matt made it in. Ryan Hunter, you were in until Friday and got knocked out. Dang. There's some really good sells going on right now, guys. I'll tell you about those in just a minute. Hit that like button. Let's get it going. There's 645 people watching. There's absolutely no reason why we shouldn't be at 400 likes in the next 30 seconds. Let's get it. I did not reset. No, I didn't care about it that much. Thurgood, you made it in. Oh man, don't expect to go further. What are you talking about? The knockout round is literally a coin flip. Whichever person gets lucky that day is the person that's going to win. So, Christopher couldn't push past 2,100. Hey, that's still good though. 2,100 out of, I don't know, what was it? 10,000 people that got in. 30,000 people. What's up, Travis Sonic? How you doing, buddy? So let's talk about some of the sales going on right now. Some of the great sales going on out there. Tradeify. Of course, their Tradeify Grand Cup knockout round starts on Wednesday. We have a bunch of accounts all week long to give away with Tradeify. Tonight, we've got one of the 50K growths, but man, you need to come back on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Holy crap. Like 100K accounts. 100K select accounts. You guys do not want to miss those shows. Tradeify is running a 40% off all of their accounts for the first 5 purchases. And then it drops to 30% off after that. So that is going to be going on right now. Other deals, TPT Take Profit Trader, of course, is 50% off still on all accounts with no activation fee. You have to use code Rocket Scooter with Take Profit Trader. My Funded Futures, 20% off the Rapid, 40% off the Flex, 50% off Pro for new users, 30% off Pro for existing users. Basically, if you use code SCORE on My Funded Futures, you're going to get whatever discount is available there. Lucid is still 50% off all accounts for your next 2 purchases if you haven't used that already. Alpha Futures, I've talked about that. They're 25% off. I think Funded Seat is still got a 60% off sale, at least through tonight, maybe. Maybe it ended today. I'm not really sure. Next Gen also still has their deal going on as well. So really good opportunities out there to do some, to pick up some new accounts. And then, Farina says we're giving away so many accounts this week. Don't forget, we have Giveaway Bonanza. Giveaway Bonanza is Friday. I don't have a show on Friday, but I can see the accounts that are going to get given away. You don't want to miss Friday's show. There are, I don't know, almost 30. Matt is giving away almost 30 accounts right now, maybe more as the week goes on. Neon's giving away like, I don't know, 10 or 11 accounts on Friday. I wish I had a Giveaway Bonanza show, but I don't. Because Thursday night is not Giveaway Bonanza. That's my last show, but maybe I can talk him into giving me a few more since I'm kicking off Giveaway Bonanza. We'll see. But yeah, dude, we've got so many accounts to give away this week to you guys. You're not going to want to miss a show. That also, you're going to want to get into Prop Score Discord as well, because there's a ton of giveaways going on inside Prop Score Discord all week long as well. So if you're not a member there, you can find a link to the description in this video to Prop Score Discord, and go join that. It's free to join, but you're going to get information on every sale that's coming out with every prop firm. You're going to get information on, you're going to get notifications every time they do a giveaway inside there as well. So Kyle says we have 157 accounts this week. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. There's a giveaway going on right now right now in Prop Score Discord. Holy cow. Farina just posted that. Thank you, Farina. Dang. So many accounts to give away. Don't forget to use code SCORE whenever you're purchasing your next account. You're going to get the best available discount that those firms are offering at the time. And it goes to support and keep Prop Score a free tool for you guys to use. All right, coming in, we're about to close out this hour here. ES went and ran all-time highs and has dropped back below now the previous all-time high. NQ, let's see what's going on here. NQ popped up and has sold off. Again, I'm not looking to short anything just yet, and I'm also not going to chase along here. I'm going to wait and see what happens at the Tokyo Open here in about 8 minutes. Let that kind of see what kind of volume or pushes we get one way or the other. It would not surprise me if we do fall into some type of little consolidation pattern here on this holiday weekend eve. What were you finding on that ATAS platform? I just looked at it very briefly. I don't really have any like special findings on the ATAS. I hadn't really heard of it. I saw some people posting about it. I went and checked it out. It looks very interesting. It's just kind of it's like a volume / order flow kind of vibe, similar to. It's like a mix between Bookmap and traditional candles. So I don't really know what to make of it. I've never really implemented order flow in any of my trading before, so I don't know that I have an edge in the market right now with my trading. Trying to add more tools into it can get tricky and can mess up the edge that I currently have. So I don't really want to. I have the VARS zones that Kyle coded here on my chart right now just to forward test and see how the risk interval associated with the volume average weighted price is how it interacts. It's very interesting to see. You can see over here how it did interact, and multiple times throughout last week's trading session, you can see how it acts as support and resistance, both at the lower band and the upper band there. So it's going to be interesting. I just want to forward test it a little bit and see how it plays out. You just messed up your second monitor. What'd you do? Did you punch it? Leo Energy, it's called the VARS zones or VARS zones. I'm not sure if it's VARS or VARS. You can find it if you go to indicators on TradingView and just type in VARIS. It should pop up. It's the only one there, I believe. All right. Really not much going on here. Just chilling. It's not there. If you go to indicators, VARIS, where would it be?
Every single time.
Huh. I don't know where it's at, why it's not there. I mean, it's on because I have it on my chart and it's working, but I don't know why it's not showing up in the search. Favorites. Okay, let me make sure I'm not on favorites. Let me try it there. Nope, doesn't show up. I don't know. Maybe Kyle can look and see what's going on with it. Deleted it because it was too good. The market makers were like, they called TradingView and they were like, take it off. All these prop firms are going bankrupt. Man, my throat is crunchy. Ugh. Crunchy, crunchy. Did he make it private? Maybe. I don't know. NQ responded off R2, the pivot. Dan, I didn't get my DDP level for tonight, man. Volume adjusted risk interval structure. Is that what it is? Volume adjusted risk. No. I wonder if it's wonder if I can search by name. I am liquidity. Nope. I don't know, man. I don't know. Guys, welcome into the stream. My name's Brad. I'm the host of the Night Shift here on the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. I am the host. I'm here every single night from 7 Eastern till 11, anytime the market is open. So if you're new to the Night Shift, welcome in. There are 3 shows that happen on this channel every single day. Of course, Matt, the founder of this YouTube channel, he streams in the morning. He streams about 30 minutes before the market opens all the way up until lunch, the lunch hour. And then Neon takes over and streams all the way to market close. And then I'm here every single night, 7 to 11. I know that I think there are plans at some point this year to also add 2 more streamers to take a show right after my show ends, and then another person to stream the London session after that. So we may have 24-hour coverage here or 23-hour coverage here pretty soon. He made it premium? No, he wouldn't have done that. What's up, Railroad Life? How you doing, man? I'm doing great. Had a great weekend. No, I don't think it's a private indicator. Here comes the Tokyo Open here in about 15 seconds, guys. This would be the first time for me that I would be interested in seeing how price reacts in and around here to see what happens. Not anything, no aggression here right out of the open. 10 seconds in and we've moved like 3 points. Very interesting. Tokyo is not really, we didn't get any really big buy pressure or sell pressure right out of the gate yet. Kyle says it's public on his end, but I just pushed an update for it an hour ago, so maybe they take it off while the update's getting pushed. I don't know. We'll see. Kyle will be dropping his PayPal in chat shortly. Hey, look, if you create a tool that people find value in, there is absolutely no reason for you not to capitalize on that. I would have no problem with Kyle charging people a certain fee to use. That's completely his prerogative. It's built, it's not an official rocket scooter tool by any stretch, but it is built around rocket scooter concepts with risk intervals and volume weighted average price. So Jeremy Sullivan, I don't use NinjaTrader, so I don't know if anybody else here is using it. Maybe they're having problems with it. Eva Trade says, did you notice the 15-minute candle on Rocket Scooter looks different than the trading view ones? Thank you. Nah, I don't really look at Rocket Scooter too much in the Asia session. 15-minute looks different than trading view, you're saying. Let me zoom in here. 15-minute and trading view 15-minute. What looks different here? Let's see. Pushing down here, a little push down here. They look extremely similar to me. I don't really see any variation at all between this and this. Like, what do you think looks different there? You have I have both sides on MQ. Did I really? Oh, I did. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. How come it doesn't switch? Oh, there it is. Yeah. E-mini S&P, E-mini NASDAQ. Or micro E-mini NASDAQ, micro E-mini NASDAQ, ESP. Okay, those are right now. Right? E-mini, E-mini S&P, E-mini NASDAQ. You just blew your funded. Should have sat out tonight. Oh, man. Yeah, tonight, it's just not... Number one, there's going to be extremely low volume. Books are going to be very thin. It's a holiday weekend heading into the U.S. session. There's big news on the line from the Iran war with a... It wasn't even really a deal. It's just basically an extension of the ceasefire so that they can have 60 more days to negotiate. It's kind of weird. Like, I don't know. It's like, hey, we're going to continue to agree to not shoot at each other while we continue to talk and fight with each other in the back channels. I don't know. No, I haven't talked about Funded Seat yet. I'm going to pull them up in just a little bit when we do our giveaways. We'll look at them on Prop Score. We still need 95 more people to smash that like button so we can start our giveaways, by the way. We got to get to 400. We're only at 305. We got our first Do You Even Trade Bro of the night. Did we? Did I miss it? Where was it? Gotta scroll back up. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Alexandro Day. Yeah. Still no trades, dog. It's a holiday week. Why are you, as soon as the market's open, fiending for a trade? That's my question. Why are you fiending for a trade so bad, my friend? Low volume. We got a massive gap up. Holiday weekend. Banks are closed in the U.S. tomorrow. If you need to push a button, if you're itching to push a button that bad, might be a good sign just to step back and push pause and reevaluate if this is the right business for you. Braille AR says 60 days more shy market because of manipulation of news event. I hope this will stop. Market is being so sensitive in news. So you got to understand there's some big events coming up. So Donald Trump's birthday is June 14th. Then you've got the 250th anniversary birthday of the U.S. on July 4th. It's the 200th. They're doing a massive like nationwide birthday party July 4th for that. Then you've got the World Cup. The FIFA World Cup is being held in the U.S. at the end of July and August. So there is a lot of big events that Trump wants to get this wrapped up before all of that stuff happens. He does not want this lingering over his head, I don't think, from a PR perspective. I don't think he wants this lingering over his head for very much longer with all of these kind of big social things coming up in the U.S. And then you're heading into the midterm, like heavy campaigning on the midterms for the House and the Senate and all of the local political campaigns that are going to be running. So they're not going to want to keep this. They're not going to want to keep dragging this out. So I think that they're probably closer to getting it finished than they are getting it from being further away from getting it finished. What's up, Louis Verse? How you doing? Anyone trading? I'm not trading yet. I do have an eval up ready to go. I don't want to chase a trade yet. Just we had this massive gap up. We're trading above DD band. We haven't even gotten a retest of the DD band yet. ES is currently trading just above its all-time highs. It broke through it about 15 minutes ago, and now here we are trying to push back up above. If ES gets up into this yellow line and upper DD band area here, I'm going to wait and see how it responds to that. That could be a potential short by proxy for MNQ here, which would be towards the top of this VARS band, which I've been looking forward to kind of forward testing a little bit to see how it works out. So Savage Princess says, my 8-year-old wants to know if we can do the duck race. She's been pushing me to message you this for close to 15 minutes now. Maybe for one of them, we'll do a duck race just for her. Maybe we'll do one just for her. We got 5 to do tonight. I probably won't do all 5 with the duck race, but maybe one. The yellow line on ES is what's called a margin buffer limit line, and it's based off of an illiquid move from some time in the past. That price quickly moved through and never on low volume and never came back and retested. And so when those moves happen, and they're kind of a subjective point in time, you have to be. It takes some practice. Matt is the one that does those calculations. There's a whole lesson on it in the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp trading course about it. But if you're part of the Rocket Scooter platform, these levels are posted in the Rocket Scooter Discord. There's a whole channel just for red lines and yellow lines. But they're margin buffer limits of where positions would basically be 99% underwater from that illiquid move. They're high volume pivots on the chart. They're extremely accurate, and they act as interrupts. If price is moving towards them, typically it will act as an interrupt, and when price gets to it, it could push through. If it's coming from the top or the bottom, it could push through, but it typically will respond with some type of rejection on either side of that briefly. The VARS indicator is an indicator that one of our community members, Kyle, I Am Liquidity 2, he's one of the mods in the chat. He coded it out. The ES, don't worry about the one on ES. This is for NQ. It's not these numbers don't work on ES. I don't use 2 charts, so it's just the way it works out. It works on NQ, but if I switch to ES, it keeps all the numbers here when I switch over to the ES chart. Guys, 50 more likes. If you would do me a favor and smash that like button. We've got almost 800 people in the show right now, 790 people watching the show. If you would do me a favor and smash that like button, we will start the giveaway train as soon as we get to 400 likes. We have 5 incredible accounts to give away to you guys tonight. There's Dan with my DDP level. Thank you, Dan. Let me get my DDP level up here. 29,568. There's my DDP. That's my Dan's daily pivot level. Gapped right through it. Gapped right through it. It gapped right through several. It gapped right through weekly hedge pressure, yellow margin line buffer limit. Ran right to DD band, paused, and then just continued to rip higher. Tokyo looks like it wants to keep pushing this thing up. 29,900 definitely looks like in line. Kind of your next kind of big round number target there. Again, guys, I have no real desire to interact with the market tonight. Holiday weekend, low volume, banks are closed tomorrow in the U.S. Not to say that you can't find a good setup, but for me, I'm very comfortable sitting on my hands tonight, and this could be the show where I just don't take a trade. I don't know. We'll see. I do want to kind of forward test the VARS levels here, so if we do get a push up into that, could be a potential short opportunity for a quick scalp. Just hit your first withdrawal target on your funded seat one step daily. Way to go, Ian. Good job, buddy. 30K. I mean, it's not that far away. We're 240 points away from 30K. So, I mean, it's well within shooting distance. You know what I mean? That's nothing for NQ. That's at the New York Open. That's like a 5-minute candle sometimes. Looks like the indicator's back up. Let me go look on the VARS. It doesn't show up on mine, but maybe I need to refresh. I might have to like refresh it, but if other people are typing it in a different way and you want to use it, you can. Leo Energy says Tuesday the deal falls apart. He's talking about the Iran deal. He's making a forecast. The Trump deal falls apart. The Iran deal falls apart on Tuesday, and this thing tanks. Could be, man. You never know. Rocky Mountain Trader says Alpha updated. All candles are there now. Well, let's go see. How do I get to trading charts? Let me see. Hey, looky there. Finally, got some trading charts to work with. All right, we can keep this up now. I can't keep the VARS bands on here, sadly. Also, where is my... Oh, there's my panel. Get rid of that. Can we go to these charts? Will that update? It's nice that they got that updated, though, finally. That was very, very frustrating. Very frustrating. I think a lot of people are waiting to see some kind of retest here instead of just chasing longs. So far, the Bulls are winning. I mean, there's been no... We've had two 15-minute down close candles. On the 5-minute, we've kind of had, we've made a higher low. 29,900 to 29,920. That's kind of the zone for me that I'd be looking to see what happens. What's ES doing? ES still has a little... This right here is where I'm interested to see what happens to price when we get here on ES. We'll keep our eyes on it. Hey guys, just 9 more likes. That's all we got. 9 more to go. Let's get it. Hey, the Masked Gamer says, good evening from the UK. What advice would you give to someone who's looking to try trading for the first time? I would say you need to get some education before you just jump into trading. You can find a lot of good free content on trading futures on YouTube. The best trading education I think you could get would be the Rocket Scooter Day Trading Bootcamp. It's $20. It's $1 a day. It is an absolutely fantastic education. It covers all of your basic trading fundamentals, but it also teaches you how to use the Rocket Scooter trading platform itself and how to trade around high volume pivots that are derived from the maximum gamma exposure from dealer hedged options. Don't let all that vocabulary scare you. I am not a nerd at all. I'm a musician by trade. And if I can do it, I promise you anybody can do it. Go slow. Know that it's a very difficult business. Most people fail at this business that get into it. Don't risk a lot of your own money in your own account. I would encourage you to try trading with prop firms first. You can put a little bit of money buying an evaluation to test your skills, and that's the only thing at risk, and it helps you have some skin in the game and feel the emotions with some money on the line. That's kind of how I would take it. Christopher Huffman says, put your hand in your car door, slam it over and over again until you don't feel pain. Accurate. That is learning how to trade in a nutshell. TradingView never had a delay for me even before I connected Tradifate. No, I don't use the free version. I think you have to have the paid version, the basic paid version for TradingView, I think. What's up, Shoemaker? How you doing? 425. Let's go, baby. That's the way you do it. Not only does that start the giveaway train, but it also triggers 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps to give away. So we'll be giving away 5 funded accounts and 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps tonight on the show. Let's go ahead and get our first giveaway going up here right now. Let's start with a funded seat, 25K one-step daily pro account. We need a keyword suggestion in the chat for our first giveaway. What's it going to be? I like Memorial. Yeah, it's Memorial Day weekend. Let's go with Memorial. Memorial it is. That's a great first keyword. Memorial. Memorial is the keyword. Type it in the chat. Let's get it going for our first giveaway of the night. Let me tell you about the account we're giving away here. Let me get over here to Prop Score. These are, let me pull up Funded Seat, and we'll take a look at their accounts. Here we go. Funded Seat. We're doing the one-step daily 25K. Right here it is. 60% off with code SCORE. These accounts are going for $70. 60% off with code SCORE. That gets an 8.4 on the prop score, which is a very good score. You can get 1 day. Once you're funded, there is no consistency, so you can get a payout on day 1 up to $500 with a 90% profit split. Let's look at these accounts here. How does this score out? Scores out with a 9.9 on simplicity, which means it can't get any easier to pass almost. No daily loss limit, 50% consistency, so 2 days to pass. You get a $1,000 max loss, $1,500 profit target. And then price per the simplicity, and then price per time in market is off the charts as well. It's a 10.0. It literally cannot get any better. Price per time in market. Basically, it means you can go from evaluation to payout in 3 days. And for $70, you can get a $500 payout 3 days after you buy this account. So trade for day 1, pass the evaluation on day 2. I don't know if Funded Seat has instant upgrades, but if they do, If they have instant upgrades like Lucid and MyFunded Futures, you could potentially get your $500 payout on day 2. That's why it has a 10.0 for price per time in market. So absolutely fantastic account. The return on investment, 8.3 is just average. The $500 payout, there are better 25K payouts, but to get it on day 1, that's fantastic. Typically, you can get a bigger payout, but you're going to have to trade for like 5 days on other 25K accounts. There is the daily loss limit, but there is no consistency. And I believe it's end-of-day trailing drawdown from evaluation to the funded account. So great, very, very, very good accounts. If you don't win one, $70 is a great price for that amount as well. So there you go. That's the funded seat. We're giving away 2 of these accounts tonight. We're doing our first one right now. Right now. I'm going to give you guys, let me see here. What do we got? I'll give you one more minute. If you're just joining the stream, type the word memorial into chat. You get 1 entry per person. You only have to type it 1 time. I will allow you to type it twice if you just are wondering if you actually didn't type it correctly the first time. If you want to type it 3 times, that's fine. 5, you're getting really weird. If you do more than 5, the mods might put you in timeout, so don't spam it. You only need to type it 1 time. Memorial is the key word. It is Memorial Day weekend here in the United States. This is the weekend where the country is a national holiday. Most people have the day off of work tomorrow. And it's just the day where we remember all of those people who served in the military and paid the ultimate price for the freedoms that we enjoy here in the States, defending our country. So, Memorial Day weekend, code Memorial. If you have served in the military, thank you so much for your service. If you have a family member who served in the military and gave their life, man, thoughts are with you guys this weekend as you kind of remember them as well and celebrate their lives. I am aware of that. That's what I just said. You only need to type it 1 time. I don't know why. I always have to say you only need to type it once. People still type it 55 times. Yeah, Veterans Day is in... when's Veterans Day is... November? No. When's Veterans Day? August? I can't remember when Veterans Day is. It's in the fall. Veterans Day is in the fall. I think it's November, maybe. November 11th, something like that. Giveaway just for vets. Maybe Matt will do one tomorrow. Matt is going to have a show, by the way, in the morning. The market closes at noon. But he did text me earlier tonight, and he said, hey, let everyone know I will be streaming in the morning. He was like, I'm not sure what the market's going to look like because the banks are closed, but he said he'll do some educational stuff, and it'll be just good to hang out with everybody, and they'll be doing giveaways as well. The 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. Is it really? I did not know that, if that's actually accurate. That's really cool. All right, let me get my wheel of names up here. Wheel of names. Here we go. Wheel of names. Let me grab everybody's names. No more typing, guys. The code word is turned off. The bot is turned off. No more entries. You can stop typing. It's not going to do you any good. Make sure you're on live. Make sure you hit the live button on the stream so that you're caught up, because when we spin the wheel, and you win, if you're not here to answer because you're not caught up on the live stream, we may have to re-roll. So make sure you're caught up on the live stream. We're shuffling up the names here on the wheel. 436 entries. Spinning it for a funded seat 25K daily pro account. The winner of the first winner of the week. First winner of the week, LB Baker. Congratulations. And you can only win once a week. That is correct, Brad Allen. I keep track of the winners. You're allowed to win one time per week on the night shift. LB Baker, type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Congratulations, you just won. You just won. Haven't seen anything yet. I'm going to start counting. There he is. Ah, there he is. All right. All right, let me grab your name. Let me put you into the winner's circle, my friend. Funded seat, 25K daily pro. All right, buddy, you have just been submitted into the winner's circle. To claim your prize, listen closely. You are going to go into the Prop Score Discord. You can find the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link to it in the description of this video. It's free to join. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. You're going to need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID just to verify that everything is above board, make sure you're not like scamming or cheating or anything, and then they'll hook you up with your account. So way to go. Thank you for being here, for supporting the show. I really do appreciate you. Oh boy. Oh boy. LB Baker. LB Baker. My friend. I just got some bad news. I just got some bad news, buddy. Dun, dun, dun. Bro. Bro. You got caught. You got caught, baby. We catch the scammers. We catch the cheaters. You get banned by trying to cheat the system. If you have multiple accounts, you get flagged. There you go. We're shuffling it up. Re-roll. Re-roll. That's that's brutal. Oh my God. Could there be a better name to win? That's brutal. Did they type anything? There were so many people laughing, I didn't see their name go by. Somebody please tell me if they typed something. Oh, that's so funny. That's karma right there. That's how karma works. Did he say anything? Please say something in chat, because I haven't seen him say anything. I don't know if he said anything or not. Please type something again if you did. He did? Somebody said he did? Okay. Let me put him into the winner's circle. What a freaking karma, man. What freaking karma. That's brutal. Funded seat, 25K daily pro. There you go. You, man, lucked out. Scammers beat scamming, but we have, we are fast on the draw, man. We catch scammers. Don't be scamming us. Don't be scamming us. All right. Go to the Prop Score Discord to claim your prize. Oh, we're up almost up to the yellow line here on ES, so we're just I'm gonna watch ES here for a minute. All right. So don't be scamming. You're going to get busted. And here's what happens. If you get banned, if you get caught cheating, not only do you get banned from any giveaway on Prop Score or on the YouTube streams, we will contact the prop firm and get you banned from the prop firm as well. That's hilarious. Kyle, I love the real-time ban is fantastic. That's so freaking awesome. I love it. What's up, J-Ham? I'm doing good, buddy. How are you, man? If it was scripted, it wouldn't be that beautiful. That was so good. The dude that won got banned, and then the guy right behind him, that's brutal. We do. We need I need to get like a sound effect if you get banned. Like wah wah wah, or we need some kind of sound effect to play if banned people if they get put up. Imagine being 100 away from passing in an eval and the ban comes. Yeah, you're gonna get screwed, man. The sound from the original Mario game when you die? Yeah. That would be kind of cool. Gotcha, bitch. Get out of here. Get on out. That's so funny. All right, guys, we're just chilling here. All-time highs. I'm still interested to see if ES continues to push up, how it responds up here. Looking at NQ. Still, it just looks very bullish. Like, I don't know that I want to try to take just keep buying into this, and I don't know that I would want to short off of this yet just either. So again, I am perfectly fine not pushing a button tonight here on this holiday weekend and just hanging out with you guys, having fun, talking smack to trolls and cheaters. If you want to find my playlist, you can go to the description of this video that you're watching. Go into the description of the video. There is a link to my Suno playlist. All the songs that you're listening to right now. Oh, hey, babe. Thank you. Want to say hi? No. Okay. I love you. We got some dinner. Dropped off, hand delivered. Oh, yeah, baby. We got tonight for dinner. We've got it's jalapeno cream cheese stuffed chicken breast with portobello mushrooms on top. Again, this is one of the nice HEB ready-made meals. I don't know if you can. It's really good. Looking forward to digging into this. It is fantastic. I had one of these yesterday or 2 days ago. Dude, I'm telling you, the HEB, if you don't have HEB around where you are, first of all, I'm sorry, you don't know what you're missing. If you do have HEB, you gotta try their ready-made meals. They're made fresh every day. You just go pick them up. You can throw them in the oven. They're very quick. They have very good healthy options. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is jalapeno stuffed cream cheese with portobello mushrooms. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. There will be no carrots on my plate. She knows better. She knows better to bring me soft carrots. Owen Flashy, to get the yellow line and red line, if you pay for the Rocket Scooter subscription, they're posted in the Discord. There's a channel that says red line, yellow line. There's a channel in there where they get updated when they come out.
Yeah, yeah.
They're not automatically calculated. It's not an automated process. It's a subjective thing. HEB pre-marinated chicken thighs on the grill or fire. I've never done those, but they do sound amazing. Bello Abdul Muiz says, Brad, need help. I have trigger fingers, can't sit out. I promised myself not to trade Asia, but somehow I find myself watching your stream, trading and blowing my account. Just, if you want to, like, just open TradingView and just have the chart on. But close your DOMs. Like, don't trade, man. It's perfectly fine to sit and not take a trade. We're getting a little push up here on NQ, approaching the top of the lower VARS band here. I'm interested to see what happens when we get here. ES approaching yellow line. Interesting how the high volume pivots here are also lining up with that level up here on the VARS. So I'm gonna be real interested to see what happens. Trade a paper account. Yeah, go to TradingView, open a paper account on TradingView, and trade that. Don't trade your evals right now. You don't have to, man. If you think you have to be trading right now, you're immature. You got to overcome that. There's no way around it. There's not an easier, a nicer way to say it other than don't be immature. Grow up. Take control back from that inner child inside of you. Tell him to sit down and shut the hell up. He doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't know. Guys, let's get to 550 likes for our next giveaway. We'll do a duck race on the next one. I gotta find that link Kyle sent me a long time ago. We've got such a long message history. I don't know where it is. Oh, maybe he sent it to me again. There it is. Thank you. Thank you. We'll use the duck race on the next giveaway. Getting it ready. Papa Les, what's up, buddy? You wrote a Wolf Capital song? All right. Very cool. It's a bit rough. I mean, don't submit it if it sucks. How about that? You're a musician. You know if music sucks or not. You play. If it sucks, don't put it in there. If you like it and you think it's good, then put it in there. Oh, you sent it to me? Oh, sorry. Dude, I haven't even hardly looked at my phone today. I had church this morning. I had to go to work. Came home, took a big old nap. Got up, kind of came down here and just chilled. I haven't even looked at messages. Unless it's my wife. I tend to not look at my phone too much on Sundays. How we doing here? How we doing? All right, pushing up. This is what I'm talking about is price. You can see how price is kind of starting to slow down as we get into this level. We're getting spike, and then it's starting to base out a little bit here. Do we get any kind of selling pressure up at these levels? All right, dinner's done. That was so good. Thank you, babe. I appreciate you. I love you. I kind of got a sweet tooth now. I got to stay off the sugar. I blew up my diet yesterday. It was raining all day, and Lady Darb and I were literally just sitting on the couch watching shows and movies. And when you sit there and you have nothing to do, you get bored, and then you're like, ooh, I got a sweet tooth. So we went down to our little sundries room and we got a bunch of candy. And we went back and we just gorged ourselves on candy all afternoon yesterday. I felt like crap after, but it was so good. Dan, I do got to pick up some cooking tips from you, man. I've seen some of your meals. They look amazing. They look so good. Boredom snacking is a killer. You're right. Kyle, can you request something? Yeah, man. What's up? What's your request? Oh, Kevin, you sent me a desk-sized cooler. Sweet. I'm going to have to check that out. What did you make today, Dan? I haven't looked. What's up, Brett Allen? How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Don't they are a scam? Oh, okay. I don't know. What? Why did you send it to me if it's a scam? Why would you send me something if it's a scam? Don't send me something. Oh, Kyle has a new song. Kyle has a new song. He said, I wrote this and have been saving this for the first person we caught live on the stream cheating. It's called Caught by the Ban. I got to turn it up. Hold on. Caught by the Ban. I need to download this so we can play it as soon as we catch another live. Caught by the ban. Yeah. Could have caught
car by the bay. You slid in sweet with a borrowed grin. Made the promise big, then you folded in. Same old script, same old scheme. Fresh new handle, but we know the dream. Tap that button, thought you were slick. Left a little trail, now the match got lit. Screenshots stacked up, line by line. You played the game and you crossed the line. Oh, you thought it was clean, thought nobody saw. But the room got quiet, then the room said, oh. Caught by the band, caught by the band. You just got caught by the band. You played for the prize, played your hand. Now wave goodbye, caught by the band. Caught by the band. Caught by the band. Caught by the band.
Leo, that's a great idea, Leo. Dude, instead of sending them the code for their new account, just send them this song. Oh, that's brutal.
You got bold, then got loud. Now your name's not welcome in the crowd. No more entries, no more try. Save that hustle for another sky. Oh, you thought it was smooth, thought it was fine, but the check got done and the check said mine. Caught by the band, caught by the band. You just got caught by the band. You played for the prize, played your hand. Now wave goodbye, caught by the band.
I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. And Flashy, they get updated when there's a move. Like if there's no big illiquidity move, then there won't be a new yellow line. So anytime there's a big illiquidity move, then Matt will calculate a new yellow line or red line to put on the chart. Otherwise, if price is moving normally and ebbing and flowing and pulling back and you know pushing and pulling back, there's not going to be a new yellow line or new red line. It's not like they get a new one every day. They just, when they come out, they come out. These were probably put on the chart weeks ago. Weeks ago, these yellow lines were put on the chart. This one here was probably put on the chart weeks ago, and you can see how accurate they are as support and resistance when price gets to them. So there is no specific, it's not like it gets updated in the channel whenever a new line shows up. Until then, there's nothing to do. I got to download that. Caught by the ban, downloaded. Nice. All right, NQ still pushing here. Approaching that upper first band on the VARS zone. Pushing up. ES must be pushing past the yellow line or into the yellow line. So there's the first tap of the yellow line, and you can see how that gets rejected off of there as it taps into that. Yellow line DD band price could struggle here on ES. I'm just gonna wait and watch. Not interested in just jumping into. The only thing that I'm interested in doing is potentially taking a short, just as like maybe 2 micros on these evals, just as a forward test position here on the VARS band. Kevin says yellow lines are hotter than Jennifer Lopez. Hey guys, let's get 17 more likes. 17 more likes will trigger our giveaway. 17 more likes, we'll do our next giveaway. And we'll use the duck race on this next giveaway. Hey, Dave Mack. Thank you for the dono. Says bought 5 evals, passed 5 evals. All are funded. Paid out already in one of them. Micros, baby. It all started with the boot camp. Thank you, Rocket Scooter. Let's go, baby. Dave, I feel the same way, man. Everything changed for me with the Rocket Scooter boot camp. Everything turned around. Thank you for the dono. Vinicius Miguel says, hey, Brad, could you please play You vs. You? Yeah, sure. We'll play it in just a minute, man. There's probably a lot of orders at 30,000. It's a huge, massive round number, psychological number. Wouldn't surprise me if we do get a push up into that level. We'll see. Kyle says, did you see the video of me playing Neon's new favorite song in the car? No, I didn't. Rear view mirrors rattling. Oh, that's hilarious. I'll go check it out. That's so cool. Yeah, Dave Mack is the one micro guy. He only trades one micro. He passes all these accounts and gets payouts from one micro. Just to prove you do not need to trade aggressive or oversize your positions. Consistency is the key. Good execution, good discipline. Truck with Mike. Hey, my name is Brad. I'm the host here on the night shift. This is the Day Trading with Matt channel. He streams in the morning, but I stream here on the night show. Says, do you have any codes for next gen semi-live? I don't have any codes to give away tonight for next gen. Use code SCORE when you're checking out. That will give you the best discount available on any accounts that next gen has. Is the funded seat account a buffer before payout? I believe you have to get $100 beyond your drawdown limit for a payout. I'm not 100% certain on that. It says profit target is $1,600 to get a $500 payout. So it does look like there's a buffer, but you would have to go check your FAQs on the funded seat account to verify that. Not 100% sure. 557, let's go. Look at ES getting rejected off of that yellow line. Look at the yellow line rejection, ladies and gentlemen. That was a quick little 7-point bounce down. We'll see if it can recover and push up into the DD band from here. All right, we're going to do the duck race. I need a keyword suggestion, chat. Let's get it going. What's our keyword for the next giveaway? Band, that's hilarious. That's brutal. Oh, that's a really good one. Oh, drunk pirates. That's it. Drunk pirates. That's a good one. That's meta. Drunk pirates. That's the show that me and Matt and iDoc and Lady Darb went to go see this weekend together and had a great time. Drunk pirates. Type it in. Arr, matey. Oh, somebody was wanting to play you versus you. Let me push pause. We'll jump down to you versus you. I'll give you until the end of this song. You only need to type it in one time. It's one entry per person. You can type it in 2 or 3 times if you want, but any more than that is just ridiculous. The bot is on. It's capturing. All right, here's you versus you. You have 3 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm going to rest my voice. You guys type.
It's you versus you. It's you versus you. Yeah, I've been here before, yeah, I know this place. Where the doubt gets loud and I lose my pace. Where I start strong, but I fade too fast. Let the moment slip, let it all collapse. Yeah, tried to outrun what I didn't face. Kept looking around, trying to shift the blame. But the truth cuts clean when the lights go low. It's the man in the mirror I don't outgrow. Every second is a line I draw. Every action shows me who I am. I could fall back into who I was, or fight for who I said I am. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume. No one in the fight, just you in the room. It's you versus you. felt that way, yeah. Have held that loss, paid the price of letting discipline get lost. Watch my focus crack under pressure in time. Let emotion take what was never mine. But pain don't stay if you make it teach. If you lean in close instead of out of reach. Heavy scars on a map if you read it right. Every wrong step still points to the fight. No more hiding from what I know. No more breaking the code I wrote. If I want that life I see ahead, then I live these words or I live misled. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume no one in the fight. Just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. Show up when you don't feel ready. Show up when the weight gets heavy. You show up when you're barely steady. You show up when you got nothing left. Just show up again and again and again. Just show up again and again and again. It's you versus you. Only one to blame when it all falls through. It's you versus you. Every step, every trade, every single move. Stand up, don't fold, don't let it consume no one in the fight. Just you in the room. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. It's you versus you. At the end of it all, it was always you.
All right. That's it. Let me get back up here to the where we were on the playlist. I don't remember where we were on the playlist. Let's just start it over at here. Yeah. All right, let me grab all the names. You can stop typing. Actually, I'll give you 15 seconds. This is the last 15 seconds. Drunk Pirates is the code word. We're giving away a funded seat, 25K, one-step daily pro count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. That's it. Copy users. You can stop typing. Stop typing. The bot is turned off. Let me get to the duck race. This is the only duck race we're doing tonight. We're only going to do one duck race. This is for Savage Princess's daughter. She asked if we could do a duck race. Let's go names, edit the list. Come on. Here we go. 376 of you got your name in. And then we're going to do, what do you want to do, a 1 minute timer? Let's do, we did 67 seconds. 67 seconds. Set. All right. The giveaway is for, let's turn the music off. Sound effects off. We don't want all that. Again, the giveaway is for a one funded seat, one step daily pro 25K account. Here we go. Ducks are up. On your marks. Get set. Quack. Tony Snow's trades coming out hot. Good Life rushing to the front. Walker Hound. Cool Trader 007 coming up from behind. FX Study. Look left. D-Man. Delta Dante all out in front. Alahi Trades. S-Sphere 35 Trades. God Loki coming in. Pushing hard. Podcasting folks coming up on the side. Wick Sniper running from the back. Making a run for the front. Here comes Fraser pushing hard. 20 seconds to go. Facile Crypto, Byte Render Code, Market Maker, Nina Nantoni, Candlestick Cowboy now making a push-up. O'Rennie out in front. O'Rennie pushing for the finish line. Jeff Blanks right behind. Douglas Tomaz in Sportsbird shorts. 7 seconds to go. Douglas Tomaz. Douglas Tomaz. Douglas Tomags. Here comes Mathematica from the back of Mathematica. 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 Granny Duck. Granny Duck. How do I capture the name? I'll just type it in. The old lady duck putting y'all to shame tonight. Funded seat, 25K daily pro. Mathematica 1729. Submit. All right, you have been entered into the winner's circle. Mathematica. Mathematica pulling out the win in the last second. Oh, is it down there, the bottom right? All right. Well, I'm not doing any more of those. Mathematica. Look at that. I don't even know who that is, but they were really close. Sniper. Savage Princess almost won. She was the one who asked for the... Savage Princess was really close. Fraser was close. Tony Snow Trades. Dang. There you go. Mathematica, Douglas Tomaz, Wick Sniper, Savage Princess, Reaper, Market Maker, Day Trader, Fraser, Candlestick. There's your order. Interesting. All right, good job. That's the only duck race we're doing tonight. You guys in the freaking duck race, man. I still want to get. I need to go. Somebody built a new rocket scooter racer giveaway that I haven't tried out yet. I need to go try it out and see how it's working. I need to give it a test because I like the races. They're fun. They're entertaining. But I need it to be more rockets. I need a rocket scooter themed one. It's like a trailing drawdown, so close and yet so far. We can't. It can't put 400 freaking ducks on there. That's the thing about the races is, at least on the wheel, you can't even see your name, but you know you got one of the little slices on the wheel. It doesn't matter what giveaway we do. People are always upset about it. The band distance, so the band distance on NQ is it only works. It's set for NQ here. So from VWAP, the band distance is a half. The bottom band is a half risk interval, so 124.75. The upper band is a full risk interval, which tonight is 249.50. It's going to be within a point of that almost every single day. So, but if you want to get specifically technical about it, that is 124.75 is a half risk, and band 2 is a full risk interval away. Freaking gnats in here, man. Flying around my plate. All right. We're 5 minutes into the new hour. That hour closed extremely bullish. So far, all we have had is bulls on parade the entire night. ES has finally pushed up into its yellow line and did get a push rejection off of that here. Again, this blue line is that's last week's, the previous all-time high is that blue line right there. You can see it pushed through, acted as resistance, and it's acted as support. So it's going to be interesting if price does continue to sell off here, if that acts as support again and pushes us back into that yellow line. Again, I have no desire to try to jump in on any of this holiday weekend and all. All right. I think we can get to 650 likes tonight. 650 likes. That's all I ask of you. That's the last I will ask of you tonight. 650. We still have 3 accounts to give away. We have 2 My Funded Futures 25K Rapid accounts to give away. The goated account on Prop Score, 25K Rapid from My Funded Futures. 2 days to pass, instant upgrade, 1 day to pay out. So technically you could get a payout after 2 days of trading. Daily payouts up to $10,000 on your first payout. 90% profit split, I believe, on those as well. Alpha's making you mad. You can't update your password to make an account. Sorry, Britt. Their dashboard and their back end stuff, I've never had a problem with Alpha. It's just their platform. Alpha Trader platform is what is kind of pushing me right now. That's kind of pushing my buttons. What's up, Miss K? How are you? Owen Flashy says, hey, recently got a payout on Lucid Flex 25K account, but the days aren't resetting. It says 5 of 6. Any reason why? Is that normal? I've never experienced that, Owen Flashy. I might just wait through the holiday weekend and see if the dashboard updates again. With the holiday weekend and things just on their dashboard may take a minute to update and reset. 30K tonight? Yeah, it's very potential, man. We're only... we got up to 935, which is 65 points away. So definitely could still push up to 30K tonight. Yeah. Tony Snow says, how do I cancel my Rocket Scooter subscription? I took the free day Rocket Scooter boot camp, and now I'm getting charged for it every month. I appreciate the boot camp, but I don't want to keep paying for it. Yeah, just go to rocketplace.com, rocketplace.com, and log in to your account. And it will show there. Go to your billing, and you should be able to cancel your subscription from there. Rocket.place. Rocket.place. There's a link. If you go to the description of this video, Tony Snow, you can find a link to that marketplace, and you can go in there and cancel. Is it still worth it to trade? Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Keep trading it. They'll update it. They'll update it.
Green on the screen. The payouts, the wins.
Still wondering why Papa Les ain't a mod. He deserves that hammer. There would be no one left in chat except Papa Les. It would just be Papa Les in chat.
The truth.
Matt gets to make the mods, not me. The next gen activation code SCORE40 isn't working. I don't know how long that sell was going on. It may be ended. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it went through the weekend or not, or if it ended Friday. Hey, 8 Cylinders says, just need one decent trade to pass my Lucid eval, but it's not giving me anything worthwhile yet. Yeah, so remember, guys, I said this at the beginning of the stream. If you're very close to passing an eval, or you're very close to getting a payout, what is the worst thing in the world? Why would it be so bad just to wait until Tuesday to trade? Why try to enter the market on a holiday weekend with extremely low volume when banks are going to be closed in the morning? Extremely thin books. Why would you want to try to push it there? Just wait one more day. If you have an itch to trade tonight, open a paper trading account on TradingView and paper trade. That will scratch your itch. Don't put your accounts at risk right now. You don't have to. There's no reason to. Just paper trade, man. Literally go down here. Let me show you. You go down here. I can get to it. Log out. go to paper trading, and you can see I got a paper traded account right here. It's got some money on it. I won $490 on it right there. That's all you have to do. Just open a paper trading account, and you can push whatever button you want. And it doesn't affect anything. You can practice. You can be like, oh, I'm gonna YOLO this. Why not? Let's YOLO. Let's just have some fun. Like, you can do all kinds of things with it. Oh, come on. Stand up.
Yeah, we making it. Ain't going back.
I got a new, I found a used iPad, and I'm using it to monitor chat because I can get it a bigger resolution than on the screen behind it. So that's what I'm using tonight. I'm just trying it out. I may not stick with it, but. Has anyone got payouts with direct accounts here, guys? I would like some wisdom. I know there are people that have traded the direct to funded accounts and done pretty well with them. I have never traded with the direct to funded accounts, but I know some people have made money with them. Hey, it's all about Chewy. My name is Brad, by the way. I'm the host here on the night shift on the day trading. Matt, this is Matt's channel. I just am the host for the night show. The platform I'm using is TradingView right here. And then I've got my DOMs for Tradeovate over here for my Take Profit Trader accounts. These are both passed. I don't need to take any more trades on them, so I'm not touching them tonight. And then I also have Alpha Trader platform up right here for some evals. If I take a trade tonight, it will be on these accounts right here on the Alpha Trader platform. I'm kind of waiting to see on TradingView if we can push up into the upper VARS band here. And if ES wants to push up closer back into the yellow line, maybe test DD band. That's kind of what I'm waiting on to take a potential short. In fact, you could probably just set a little limit order here. Let's go to, I'm on NQ. I need to go to MNQ, by the way. Let me get back down. Let me put like, we can just paper trade this. Just see how it goes. Guys, let's get to 650 likes. Please. We got, and then that's it. Once we get to 650 likes, we don't have to do any more likes after that. Unless you just like the show and you want to keep liking it, you can. But 650, we have 3 more accounts. And we have 2 My Funded Futures 25K rapid accounts. And we have 1 Tradeify 50K growth account as well. Yeah, the DD bands tonight were the NQ and got completely smashed through. We're now trading, we're trading, 155 points above the upper DD band, which is insane. It's crazy. ES is pushing to retest the yellow line and maybe up into that upper DD band on ES as well. 15 minutes into the 9 o'clock hour here. We got about an hour and a half left on the show for tonight. I'm so glad to be back with you guys. Gosh, I've missed you all. I miss you guys so much over the weekend. I don't get to hang out with you on Friday or Saturdays. I did get to hang out Friday night on the weekend giveaway in Prop Score Discord. That was fun. Maybe that'll be, maybe I can do that on Friday nights since I don't get to do my show. I can hang out with Farina and Kyle. Do you even trade, bro? Not tonight, probably. Not tonight. We'll see. I'm not going to say no, but I'm also leaning towards not trading. We definitely could be aiming for that 30K tonight. Do. We'll play the Do You Even Trade after the next giveaway. We've already had a couple pop in. We've had a couple trolls pop in with the "Do you even trade tonight?" It doesn't bother me. People who watch the show know I trade. People who are just jumping around looking for someone to tell them to call out a signal, those are the ones that troll the most because they don't know how to trade for themselves. If you're not trading, review my song. I'll have to listen to it. I'll have to turn like the mic down and listen to it if it's on my phone. I will trade through TradingView on my next-gen account, so it logs in through AMP. So my next-gen funded account, I trade on TradingView. Otherwise, for the New York session, hey, thank you so much, Iron Pigeon. Bootcamp was a game changer. Can't afford Rocket Scooter Monthly. Appreciate being part of the Beta Squad. Brad's nightly shout out. Thank you so much, man. That's one full bootcamp right there. That's a full boot camp. That's 5 boot camps we get to give away tonight. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. But typically what I do in the New York session, I will have my Rocket Scooter platform open with all of the Rocket Scooter levels and the resilience indicators and everything on the screen. My liquidity maps over here. And then I'll have my Tradevate DOM just like you see above my head right here. So I'll have the Rocket Scooter platform on this. Right next to it will be the Tradevate DOMs for if I'm trading Lucid or My Funded Future or Take Profit or whoever I'm trading with. I'll have them open right here. And we'll just take orders as I'm watching the levels on the Rocket Scooter platform. Here on the Asia session on the night shift show, I will have my next gen account open. I took one trade on it and took my daily loss on that account already. So I can't trade it anymore tonight, but I will trade on TradingView here during the Asia session. That's the only time I really execute on TradingView itself. I also have the Alpha Trader platform open right now for my Alpha Trader accounts. I have 4 of these accounts that I'm trading with as well. So I can execute on this platform as well. Just giving it kind of a test run. They just released it last week. Not the best of introductions so far as a platform goes, but you know, I'm giving it a shot. I did, yeah. Melissa Trades. I took a payout from NextGen on Friday. I took a $750 payout on Friday. In fact, I have a screenshot of it. In fact, they put it in their Discord. This is hilarious. They put this in their Discord. Bradley. I'm like, who the hell is Bradley? I didn't even put that's not even my name. I didn't even put that in the description. Why would you post Bradley? That's not my name. So yeah, $750 payout from them. 100% profit split. All come to me. All mine, baby.
Check it. Yeah. Scooter hums on the opening bell.
It's not even my name. Like my official name is just Brad. It's not Brad is not short for Bradley. My mom named me Brad. She was like, I don't want no sissy Bradley for a son. It's just Brad. It's literally not my government name. It's not even in my account that way. Maybe it's a different Bradley and it just happened to be at the same time. It just happened to be at the same time, you know. So they paid out to PayPal. They paid out to PayPal, and then the PayPal transfer took a little bit of money out on it. So I ended up getting $727 from the $750 from the instant transfer from PayPal. So your name is Bradley? No offense to all the full Bradleys out there. Bradley's actually a cool name. It's just not my name. It took about maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes to get the payout. So they sent me the email saying that the payout was approved. And then I got the email maybe 5 minutes later that I got a PayPal notice that the money had hit my PayPal account. So, like 7 to 10 minutes max. Darbly. Darbly. That's hilarious. Let me get back over here to my my trading view lines with my VARS indicator going on. I want to track it. Getting a little push back up here into the yellow line. This is the next gen account was a 25K account. 25K. So I have a friend named Bradford as well. I think Bradford's a cool name as well. Hey there, my name is Bradley Darbson. Bradley Darbly. Yeah, Darb is just backwards. It's so creative, is it not? It's so creative. PayPal. So there are two options for next gen, or PayPal or Rise. Rise is a $50 fee. PayPal was just cheaper, so I saved like 13 bucks. No, I saved more than that. I saved like 27 bucks or something like that using PayPal. Your name isn't Farina? Is that your middle name, or did you just make Farina up? It's for Farina Lee? Farina Lay? Is it Farina Lay? Is that what it is? Farina Lay? Man, I've got the sniffles tonight for sure, so I'm getting congested. I'm getting stopped up. It's no fun. Kyle's name isn't Kyle. No one here's name is their actual name. What is going on? Oh, you're trolling me. Farina Lee. Like Bradley? I got you. Is Kyle Lee? Is it Kyle Lee? Farina Lee? Papa Leslie? Kevin Lee? Matt Lee? Somebody Lee? We're just going to put Lee on the end of everybody's name tonight. Kylie. Kylie! Oh, that's good. Kylie. Leslie is his actual name, so we can't... Leslie Lee? Papa Les. You don't know who Papa Les is? Go Google Leslie Paul Farkas. Dude's a legend in trading. Marzena. My name is Marzena. The other DD band is like... Wait, it's so far down. It's like at 29,270. It's like 1,000 points away almost. Not even close. Emily is literally Emily Lee. Emily Lee? Emily Lee? That's hilarious. That's a great name. Toasty is actually a piece of toast, and he's very toastly. No middle name. Interesting. I don't know that I've ever met anyone without a middle name before. Cooley. I like Cooley. Cooley's nice. Robert E. Lee. Matt Lee. Neon Lee. Matt Lee, Matt Trader. You're not invisible here? Why are you not invisible? I see you. Min Woo Yu. I'm a Korean. We don't have the middle name. I guess it is kind of a cultural thing, right? Yeah, I guess there are some. Like, I have some Hispanic friends that have like 4 middle names. It's crazy. You tried to name your son Ananias? That's a cool name. Patchicole says you're Hispanic and no middle name. That's very interesting. I think every Hispanic person I know has like 2 or 3 middle names. Yeah, Gringo Loco, my Mexican wife, they all have like 17 names. That's my experience. Maybe it's a Mexico thing and not maybe not a Hispanic thing or a Spanish thing. Maybe it's just like a Mexico thing. God, my nose is so itchy. Oh, it's gonna maybe be another NyQuil night. You're just racists. It's not racist to just. It's like it's like an obvious observation of different cultures of how they name their children. No middle name, just 4 last names. Yeah, it's kind of similar. Juan Carlos Delgado, Pequeño Magnificent Suarez Martinez. Owen Flashy, are you sleeping in tomorrow? I will sleep in. It depends on if I take NyQuil or not. I feel like I'm gonna have to. My throat's scratchy, my nose is stuffy. I feel stuffed up. My head's starting to get a little. I'm starting to get a little like pressure headache. Randy said you have a friend from Texas. His birth name was W.M. Day. Like, he just had letters for a name, W.M. That's weird. That's got to be like a family name or something. Because that just doesn't, like, who just names your kid W? The shoulder feeling a lot better. It loosened up quite a bit. Owen, I don't know if I'm going to trade the morning session or not. It's a holiday day, like, especially in the New York session. The stock market is not, I don't even know if the stock market's open tomorrow. I know the futures market is open till 12, but I don't even know if the stock market is open tomorrow. Does anybody know? Banks are going to be closed. Most institutions are going to be off. Most people have the day off from work. You just don't have to trade. There's no reason to, like, take a day. Enjoy an extra day of not having to make mental decisions in anguish over trading. WD-40. Yeah, I don't think the stock market's open. I think futures market is the only thing that's open tomorrow. So I don't even know if we would have rocket scooter data, like for resilience and all that. We probably won't even have rocket scooter data. The futures closes at 1 o'clock Eastern, 12 p.m. Central Time. She named their twins Lemon Jello and Orange Jello. That is not cool. Those poor kids. Yeah, it's a half day tomorrow of trading. But it's a half day for the futures market of trading. But you just got to, guys, you just got to be really careful. Like, I would not anticipate any big, like, trending move in the market tomorrow. It's going to be whippy, choppy. It wouldn't surprise me if price, like, tried to come back down and fill some gaps at some point. ES is struggling to push up above this yellow margin buffer limit line. I'm going to check in on Matt's stream in the morning, so I'll be there on Matt's stream. He is going to stream just to hang out. I don't have to work tomorrow, so I'll be just chilling. It'll be an easy day tomorrow. Hey, Gringo Loco, thank you so much for being here, man. Appreciate you as always. You can go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow night. All right. There we get a break. See if we can get a closure above here on the 5-minute candle here on the ES pushing up towards the upper DD band. Most people in the States have the day off tomorrow. It's a national holiday. Typically on national holidays, you're not having to work. Getting some very like whippy action here. Like pop, 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 pop. Again, just probably thin books. All right, getting a push here up towards that upper VARS line. I'm going to move this up so it's more in line with where the VARS line should be. I would be just looking for, you know, like 50 points. That'd be cool. That'd be a cool rejection off of the VARS line. Fast track the giveaways and tuck yourself early tonight. I mean, I'm feeling okay right now. We'll see. If I start feeling worse, I'll let you know. But I feel okay. I think I can make it another hour for sure. So the only thing that happened over the weekend was we just got word over the weekend that Iran and the U.S. agreed to an extension of the ceasefire, giving themselves an extra 60 days. They have a decent. Evidently, they have a fairly good framework in place. At least that's what, depending on who you ask, if there's a good framework in place that they're working with. So that's what the pump is. People thinking the war is finally over. The Strait of Hormuz will open. What they don't understand is the Strait of Hormuz is still closed. It's still locked down. It's going to stay locked down, and tankers are not going to start flowing through there openly until there's an official end to the war. So this big rip up could in fact completely collapse very rapidly with any significant bad news. Did we get to 650? We need 6 more likes to get to 650. 6 more likes to get to 650, guys, and then we'll spin the wheel. Futures closes tomorrow at 12 Central, 1 o'clock Eastern. The end of the war happens every weekend. It really does, doesn't it? It feels like that for sure. It definitely feels like that. Looks like ES is going to get a closer up above the yellow line in about 20 seconds. See if it could act as support and push up into the DD band, which would probably push our MNQ paper trade to get filled. Yeah, it's going to be real interesting. Peter is talking about once the strait is opened, what's like how is it actually going to play out? Like, are they gonna try? Like, I've heard at least word on the street, depending on who you listen to, is that there will be no fees charged from Iran for ships and tankers transiting the Strait of Hormuz. Will insurance go up? You know, will companies protecting and insuring those tankers, will they want a higher premium if they're going through the Strait of Hormuz? Is that going to affect inflation? How quickly can oil begin to flow and get back into the markets and you know, bring pressure down? We'll see. 670, let's go. Let's get a keyword. We're gonna give away a My Funded Futures 25K rapid account. Let's get a keyword. There's some good ones. I like Darbly. Darbly it is. Darbly. I see it. I like it. It's Darbly. Type it in. You get 1 entry per person. 1 entry per person. Type it once. You can type it twice. If you type it more than 5 times, you're probably going to get put in timeout and you won't win. So. Skip this song. Let's skip this song. No, no, no. This is a good one. You have until the end of this song to enter the giveaway. Keyword is Darbly. We're giving away a My Funded Futures 25K Rapid account. This is the highest ranking. It's a 10.0. You can't get higher than 10.0. $75, 50% off. Oh, that's Take Profit Trader, sorry. 10.0, here it is. Both of the Take Profit Trader is high because they're offering a 50% off right now. If it was regularly, these would be equally, and the 25K Rapid would be the winner. It's also 10.0, $87 right now, 20% off code SCORE. It's a little bit better in my mind because you can actually get a payout in 2 days because they instant upgrade their accounts. So you can take 2 days to pass, instant upgrade, trade, clear your buffer, and take a payout, 90% profit split on day 2. If you were using Take Profit Trader, you would have to wait 5 days after you pass. Like, let's say you pass in 2 days. You still have to flip for 3 days. Then you have to wait for their dashboard to update. Then you have to get your account activated, then trade. So it's going to take you 6 days on a 25K Take Profit Pro to get a payout versus My Funded Futures. Technically, you could get a payout in 2 days. 3 days if you just waited to activate and then wait for the 3rd day to trade. So either way, still half the time of a Take Profit Trader. Fantastic accounts. 50% consistency, end of day drawdown on the evaluation. No consistency, no daily loss limit. Intraday trailing drawdown on the funded account. That is the difficulty on the funded account. It's intraday trailing drawdown. But if you can clear the intraday trailing drawdown, you can have daily payouts, baby. 90% profit split, daily payouts. You can take out up to 10K per payout on the Rapid accounts. We have 2 of these accounts to give away to you guys tonight. Type the code word Darbly right now into the chat. We're collecting names. You have 1 more minute. Can I push ES over 75.50? Well, it's going to be tough because you have a DD band. This is going to be a strong resistance area to ES. You had the yellow line and the DD band. You had a closure above. It did retest and tried to close up into the DD band and got rejected off of there. I don't know, man. I feel like, not that it can't just rip higher out of the DD band, but it's going to be hard. It's going to struggle. If it wants to go higher, it's going to struggle here first. Let's look at the 15-minute. Looks a little heavy, but not horrible. I mean, this thing could still push higher. Man, just what a bull run here tonight, guys. 275 point. I had told myself coming into this session, holiday stream tonight, that I probably wasn't going to trade. So to come in and see this bull run, there's a part of me that's like, man, I wish I would have caught some of this. But I'm also perfectly fine and very happy with my decision to just be like, hey, let's just watch. Let's not participate. There's no reason to put evals at risk, no reason to put funded accounts at risk. I tried early in the session on the next gen account, got slapped, and since then I've just been like, you know what? We can just paper trade. All right. Let's get Wheel of Names back up. Where's my Wheel of Names? There it is. Let's get rid of all these people. That's from the last giveaway. I'm grabbing all the names right now. You can stop typing. No more entries, guys. All the names have been selected and grabbed. 449 entries. Good job, good job. All right, My Funded Futures. 25K rapid account. Make sure you push the live button on the stream. Make sure you're caught up. Make sure you're not buffered right now, because I would hate to spin the wheel and you win and you're so far behind you don't answer in time. All right, here we go. My Funded Futures 25K rapid account. Winner number 1. JOY05. JOY05. Congratulations. Type something in chat, my friend. Let's go. Thank you for being quick on the draw. All right, let me get you into the winner's circle here, my friend. MFF 25K Rapido. All right, you have been entered into the winner's circle. To claim your prize, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of the video below. Go to the Prop Score Discord, free to join. Go to the Claim Your Win channel in the Prop Score Discord. You're going to need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and they'll hook you up. Assuming you're not a cheater, they'll hook you up. We've already had one cheater tonight. We caught him. We caught him. They got banned. So don't be cheating. Jay's also banned? No, he's not. Don't you be ripping on Jay like that. You're gonna get chat all riled up. We banned him. He got kicked from the chat. He got banned from Prop Score. Banned from Funded Seat. How do you cheat? You have multiple accounts that you're entering with, and you get caught with different emails. Yeah, we've got 2 more giveaway accounts, Tony Snow. We've still got one. We have one more My Funded Futures 25K Rapid, and we're going to end the night with a Tradeify 50K growth account. We're going to add a Wall of Shame. Oh, dude, yes. Wall of Shame for the cheaters. That would be epic. Let's do it. I can't remember the guy's name. LBD Trades or LB Baker or something like that. LB Baker, I don't know. I've never seen him before. No, the beer I chugged on Friday night, I think it was a... I think it was a Ranch Water. That's a brand down here in Texas. I think it was a Ranch Water beer. It was a light beer, very light beer. It was easy to drink and easy to chug. Dude, people just scan YouTube channels for giveaways. They load up 6 or 7 accounts, enter the giveaways, and then if they win, they try to switch to the right account and claim the prize. They spend so much time and effort trying to scam and cheat. If they would just put that time and effort into studying how to trade, they wouldn't need to worry about it anymore. It's mostly those of Gen Alpha and Gen Z, them young kids trying to cheat. You don't see no Gen Xers in here cheating. Ain't no boomers in here cheating. It's all them Utes Them dadgum Utes.
Stay calm in the storm, rock the scooter about to launch. 4 more tears deep.
Gen Alpha isn't old enough to trade. Yeah, but they're old enough to cheat.
While the endless delay
They're old enough to cheat.
grip slipping fast, but I won't.
They're already working the system. Yeah, my order is short up on that. The MNQ, it's up off of the upper or this VARS band. I'm just forward testing it. That's why I have it there. Just forward testing on a paper account. This is a paper trade account right here. It's not a live account, not a sim account, not an eval, not a funded account. Just paper trading on TradingView. I don't want to put any of my other accounts or evals at risk tonight on this holiday session. You don't trust Papa Les? I trust Papa Les. He's playing if he's cheating, he's playing quite the long game on me if he's cheating right now. All right, one more hour to go in the show. We still have 2 accounts to give away and 4 boot camps. We'll give 1 account away at the top of the hour. Our next giveaway in about 12 minutes, okay? Papa Les is older than me. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He's way older than me. Aren't you, old man? The guy who donated thousands to the stream is cheating for sure. Good catch. Well, it looks like ES could not hold above our yellow margin buffer line limit. If it's going to push higher, and if you're looking, like if I wanted to paper trade this, where might I look? Probably somewhere back down around 75.44 area. To tax write-off for Wolf Capital Futures. Yeah. He's just marketing. It's just marketing budget. I might have as much gray hair as Papa Les. I'm starting to get a lot of gray. So I got a haircut. But all of this is really graying out up here now. All of this up in here. Very gray. Beard is very gray. The top is still pretty dark up on the top. It's starting to lighten up in there too. I got more hair. That is true. I do have more hair. Just for men. Lady Darb has been like, babe, let's like color your beard. I'm like, I am not. I'm fine with aging gracefully. I don't need to hide my age. Like I'm not, I don't know, silver fox, you know what I mean? Like distinguished. I'm a distinguished gentleman of culture. Just for men, touch of gray, yeah. I got if I grow the beard out, you'll see how white it is, dude. It's very gray. Like if I let it go for a week, so like my mustache and kind of around my chin is still kind of dark, and then I have a little bit of dark kind of left up on like the sideburn area, but like all of like the cheek area and under here is very white. I did not get a hair transplant. I do have just good hair genes overall, like still got a thick head of hair. My dad, I don't know, I've heard different theories about where you get your hair genes from, like what side it comes from. My dad was basically jet black hair until he was like in his early 60s. And he had a very full head of hair until he was in his late 60s, and then he started thinning out, you know, kind of right back up in here. And he's now almost 80, and he's, you know, his hair is thinned out a lot now, but he's 80 years old. Like, you're mailing me a pallet of Depends? I ain't that old. I don't need a diaper. Come on, man. I showed y'all my beard, right? I've showed y'all the picture of my beard. Back in 2019, I grew it out. Let me get to it. I'll show it to you. Let me get back to 2019. I'll show you my beard pictures. Oh wait, I think I have a. Let me hold on. I think I got an album of them somewhere. Uh-oh, Lady Darb's not feeling good. She's texting me. I may need to go check on her in a minute. Let me show you. Let me see if I can find my collections. Where's all my the new iPhone out? Like, it's hard to find albums. Here we go. Oh yeah, here we go. This was 2019, so this was 7 years ago. All right. 7 years ago. Dang. Should I do this again, chat? Should I do... Look at that. Should I do full beard again? It would be very white. It would be very white. Like, here's a profile. You can already see the gray coming in right there. There you go. So then I did cut it down. I did cut it down eventually. Let me see if I got the cut down on it. Where is that at? I'll have to find it. There's another picture. Let me get back. I'll have to scroll. That one's not in the album. How can you select years? Filter. No. Oh, here we go. Years. 2019. Oh, yeah. So this is right after the full beard. It got trimmed down to this. It got trimmed down to this right here. That's the trim down. After the full. There you go.
Different city, different land, same candles, same demand. From the moon to the trading floor, rocket scooter evermore.
I don't know, man. It took so long. It took so long to grow it out. I mean, that's like the full beard that's probably 5 months. So if I started now, it would be like October to get it that length again. Bradley Van Laden. That's crazy. Lady Darb was not a fan. Lady Darb was not a fan of the beard. She was ready for it to go a long time. Oh boy. Slow. We've entered the slow market of the slow markets tonight. We have traveled since, let's see, the beginning of this hour. Well, I guess we've made a pretty good jump on the hour candle there. Yellow line buffer is definitely holding here. Heading into the 10 o'clock hour. Do we get a little bit of a sell-off? I'm wondering. Stay the way you are. Okay, good here in Baird games. Yeah, thanks, man. I got good genes. I lucked out in the gene pool for sure. I don't do anything to, I mean, other than just working out at the gym now and trying to eat healthy. And the older I've gotten, the harder it is to lose weight. And I've got just a little bit around the midsection that it needs to go away. It's not like fat or anything. Like, I'm not like, this huge guy, obviously. You could go see Matt's pictures. From our Drunk Pirate show. Like I'm in good shape, but I definitely I got the fuel tank for the love machine is getting bigger every year. You know what I mean? Papa Les says Wolf Capital Futures won't allow dude who look like they're homeless. Oh, well, in that case, I'm definitely not going to grow my beard out. Cushion for the pushing. Rocky Mountain Trader says, if good-looking people are called eye candy, I'm somewhere in the eye broccoli category. What part of Texas? I'm in Houston. Matt and I live in Houston. Neon lives in Vegas. Our other streamer, he lives in Vegas. But Matt and I are both in the Houston area. Matt lives up in Houston proper, near the downtown area. I live in the burbs. We're about 30 minutes away from each other. What kind of gym won't allow you to smoke while you tread? A horrible one, if you ask me. Let's rip some cigs on the treadmill. Kyle says the only good thing about me is my voice. I don't know why y'all like it, but you guys, you do have a good, you do have like a good broadcasting voice. You're also a pretty good coder with this VARS, by the way. That's not the only thing you're good at. You can code, and you're now a profitable prop firm trader with your 2 payouts back to back. So. They wouldn't allow you to duct tape an ashtray to the treadmill. Papa Les, you got to go with the vapes now. You can sneak the vape. Just take a little puff on the vape, and they don't even know. No more ashes needed. And you catch the cheaters. That's right. The instant cheater catch was awesome. Oh, you're in Houston? Cool. What part of Houston are you in? We have a bunch of Houston traders in the community. We're probably going to do a Houston meetup again here in the summer months at some point. Oh, you put a new picture up? Oh, you grabbed a screenshot of my beard. Dang. Sir Darbley, king of the night shift. The crown on top of the hat is awesome. Oh, that's so good. I love it. That's so good. I love it. Nice job, Sir Darbley. I do. It is kind of kingly. The beard does have kind of some regalness to it, doesn't it? There's a little bit of a regal flair to the beard, I admit. Oh, you grew up in Clear Lake area? That's close to where we are now. Beardly Bradley. I don't even know what Quant Connect is, Cave Manning. I've never heard of that before, so probably don't have a coupon for it. I don't know how he gets those. He just grabs a screenshot, goes into Chat GPT or wherever he makes them. Grok, I don't know. A drunk pirate beard? You'd have to do like the Jack Sparrow, like braided with the beads in the beard. Like the kind of the you know.
Every setback set the track. No hype, no luck, no guessing now. They see the wins, but they don't see how.
Oh, I grew up in Spring. That's where I grew up in Spring. That's my wife grew up down here on the south side of Houston. I grew up on the north side of Houston. Make them by hand. Farida says I grew up in winter. Spring is a town. Spring, Texas. Well, this little freaking market. Hey, we're at the top of the hour. Let's do a giveaway so we can break up the boredom, shall we? Let's get a keyword suggestion going. I'll pick the one that hits me the most. Put it in chat. What should we do for our next giveaway? What's the keyword, chat? Everybody wants Beardly, evidently. Just for men? That's not bad. We did Memorial already for the troops, so we probably won't do another one of those. Ooh, Silver Fox. There it is. I like Silver Fox. Savage Princess with the Silver Fox call out. I'll take it. Silver Fox, baby. Put it in. Let's do it. Trying to push back up against the yellow line here. This thing is just grinding higher and higher and higher. Hey, I could be called, I've been called a lot worse than a Silver Fox before, so Silver Fox, I'll take it. That's a compliment in my book. What is going to happen here? Do we rip DD Band? Trying to test DD Band on ES again. Kind of feels rolly, doesn't it? Maybe a reversion back down into the VWAP area. What are we looking like up here? Yeah, it's still not ready, I don't think. That's what they want you to think? Yeah. Oh, there's another picture. Kyle is so freaking fast. That was pretty accurate for Friday night. Work? I thought you said rum. What are those tattoos on my fingers? I can't tell what they are. This dude is like sloppy, man. He does have the Irish. He's got the Irish, the shamrock on the captain's hat. Captain of the night ship. Proper Irish rum. Nice. AI is so freaking crazy, man. It's so crazy. All right. Let's do the giveaway. Let me grab all the names here. You can stop typing. Done. Grabbed all the names. The bot is turned off. No more entries. There they are. That's it. That's it. 427s of yous. My Funded Futures 25K rapid account. We have one more of these to give away. Let's shuffle it up. Here we go. 25K rapido. Prop Trader 7087. Congrats, you just won yourself a My Funded Futures 25K rapido. Bot. We'll catch him. Our system will catch them very rapido if they are in fact cheating. Did he type anything? I haven't seen him type anything. Okay, Manny, you got your first payout on Tradeify using the Lightning funded 150K account. Almost all of the firms have some kind of a direct payout, a direct pay pen. There he is. Said hi. Little slow on the draw, but that's okay. Little slow. All right, let me put you in the boot camp. Oh, let me put you in the winner's circle. I can't talk. Winner's circle. My Funded Futures 25K rapido. You have been submitted into the winner's circle. To claim your account, listen up. You're going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link to the Prop Score Discord in the description of this video. Go to the Claim Your Win channel in the Prop Score Discord. And there, you will need to submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. And if you're not cheating, you'll get your account. Thank you for being here and supporting the stream. Guys, we have 5 boot camps to give away tonight. No, we have more than that. Because Dave donated a boot camp earlier. Iron Pigeon donated 1 total boot camp. So that's 5, and then I have 4. So we have 9 boot camps to give away. We'll do the boot camp giveaways in about 10 minutes. And then right after that, we will do our last giveaway account tonight, a Trade of 5 50K growth account. We still have that to go. So hang out. We've got about 25, 30 more minutes on the show here. We'll do our boot camps here in about 10, 15 minutes, and then we'll do the Trade of 5 growth account right after that. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me tonight here on this holiday session of the night shift. Haven't taken a trade yet. Got a paper trade account set up here on TradingView. I am not going to put any of my 2 take profit 50Ks have already passed. I can't do anything else with those. The Alpha Trader evals, I'm just not willing to. Why put anything at risk right now in this slow, choppy market? We've kind of hit the dead zone here at the 10:15 p.m. time slot. So it wouldn't surprise me if we just kind of move sideways here in a really tight range for the rest of the show tonight. Crazy pump off of the open, 150-point gap up, and then another 150 points. From Friday's close, we've moved 432 points off of Friday's close. Currently 410 points off of Friday's close. That's crazy. That's a huge gap up. Huge gap up. We'll see how it plays out as we head in, and the rest of the week we kind of clear out the holiday hangover vibes on Tuesday. See what price action brings us on Wednesday, Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Everyone has the same rock songs in a playlist. A lot of them use my playlist. So if you hear rock songs in other people's playlists, they're probably mine. Matt does like rock. Matt's genre is rock. So if you want to get on Matt's good side, write some good rock songs. He'll play them. I'm kind of all over the place when I write songs. I go from rock to, I'll do 70s disco, I'll do hip hop, drill rap, R&B, synthwave, EDM, house. I'll do it all. Oh, God, my shoulder's getting tight again. I think it's just from sitting at the desk. Man, are we going to get a sell-off here? Is NQ and ES going to finally pull back a little bit? Finally getting our first kind of little bit of a rollover tonight. I'm still here. Yeah. That's probably my favorite song. Way too many techno songs lately. I'll tell you though, Kevin. This Is What It's All About is a great techno song.
You ever sit there?
It's so good. I really like it.
Know exactly why it happened.
Speaking of I'm Still Here.
Anyway. Yeah. Blew it again. I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head.
I'm not in any trades right now, no.
The lies you said.
I had a sell order up here, but we couldn't get up to it.
They say you done. I'm still. Said he won't last. I'm still. Seen this before. I'm still. I'll live that. I'm still. They say you done. I'm still. Said he won't last. I'm still.
Got back from a beer garden. Ooh. That is definitely not on the diet list for me. I do like a good beer garden. Just can't have it right now. I can't get into my Speedo if I'm going to beer gardens.
Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live.
Oh.
I'm still here.
Headache is coming on.
I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here.
Freaking headaches, man.
I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. It wasn't the market. It was me.
Did Matt wear his rainbow thong like he said he would?
Every time I knew better and didn't do better. That was me.
I don't
I
know.
didn't leave. They said you done.
Am I drinking enough? I'm drinking enough water.
Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. I'm still
What about iDoc? iDoc looked as beautiful as she always does. Both of the ladies, Lady Darb and iDoc, they were the, no one even noticed Matt and I.
I'm still here.
Nobody noticed Matt and I promise you that. We were the lucky ones to be hanging out with them that night. A Darb whiskey stream? Dude, that sounds amazing, actually. Do I think gold will fill the gap today? I have no idea, man. I'm not a gold trader, but we've all the gaps. I think at some point will get tested this week. I just don't know if it'll be today. Icyhawk says, what were you holding up in that pic iDoc posted? That, my friend, was a Magnum condom. It was a prop in the drunk pirate show that they threw into my lap out of the booty chest. After I slammed it and chugged a beer. All right, let's do our boot camps. Type in boot camp. That's the code word for boot camp. We're giving away 9 free 1 month 1 month access to the boot camp, Rocket Scooter Boot Camp, 20-day trading education course. Type it in. We've got 9 of them to give away tonight. Thank you guys for the donos, and then I'm adding 4 more to keep our 400 like streak alive from the old days. Boot camp it is. We're giving away 9 of them right now. I don't think there will be a boot camp tomorrow. You'll have to ask Matt in the morning if he's going to do boot camp. It wouldn't surprise me if there was no boot camp tomorrow, since it's a holiday and the market's closed. My guess is the boot camp picks back up on Tuesday after the market closes. Flip a coin with Matt about what? If he's gonna do the boot camp, make him flip a coin.
We don't chase.
Oh,
We wait.
I got a message. Matt for sure is streaming in the morning. Yes. He texted me right before the show started and said, "Hey, let everyone know I will be streaming in the morning. We'll do some educational content because the market may not be great." The only place that you can get the clocking out song is at the end of the show. I don't have it on a playlist. I don't make it available. You gotta stick around. You gotta stick around to the end of the show to get tucked in to hear the closing song. I know. If I gave it out, no one would stick around to the end of the song to get tucked in. It's kind of like it's its own special thing. It's like Neon's anthem song at the beginning, you know? It's a really good song, yeah. I love it. If you want to get tucked in and hear the greatest closing song of all closing songs, just stick around for about 10 more minutes. Maybe 12 minutes. And you'll hear it. I'll tuck you in. I'll wish you sweet dreams of green. Captain Darbley, do you want a new song? Oh, there's a new song? Where? Song submission channel? All right. Let's listen to it. There's a new song up. Is it found my name in the numbers? Is that what it is? In the dick sword. Right as I come in to play Kyle's song, Rogue Rogue throws this up. Come on. Oh my God. That's so freaking hilarious. Here's Kyle's new song. Eat your carrots, boy. Look at the mole on Lunch Lady's face. Eat your carrots. That's disgusting. That is exactly. That is this right here is exactly how I feel inside. Why do I only have 3 fingers though? What the hell's going on with the 3 fingers? Come on. That's insane. Oh, that's disgusting. Let me get Chat GPT up. Chat GPT, we're gonna pick some boot camp winners right now. Please choose 9 boot camp. Oh, hey, I got. Please choose 9 random. Then I step through it. If the door swings wide, I'm the one who knew it. Hands a little shaky, still I made the call. What I thought was risk was a jump through it. Let me grab the names over here. 65 of yous. We got 9 boot camps to give away. Do your job, robot. Tonight's 9 Rocket Scooter Boot Camp winners are Candlestick Cowboy, Josh Hardy, George Realisto, Fuelish Behavior, Luca 0801 FX, Fong Win, M Will 29, Acish, and Icy Hawk. There you go. Let me put you guys in the boot camp winner circle. All right. To claim your win, guys, go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of the video below. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and they will hook you up. We have one more giveaway to do. Let's get our final keyword up for the night, guys. Final keyword of the night. What's it gonna be? Final keyword of the night. What's it gonna be? Finger. Oh. Eat yo carrot. It's got to be eat yo carrots. Eat yo carrots. Let's do it. Eat yo carrots. Eat yo carrots. That's disgusting, but we'll do it. Eat yo carrots is the keyword. Type it in. Eat yo carrots. No R. There's no R. It's just eat yo carrots. No R. Eat yo carrots. Nice song, Kyle. Kyle, you have been really killing it on the song production lately. I'm a fan. Where's my cursor? I'm trying to get over here. Let's get back over here. There we go.
Most will chase it. Most will break. We don't. We don't. We wait. Patience gets paid. Patience gets paid. Patience gets paid. Gets paid. Gets paid. Patience gets paid. We wait.
All right, what we got? What we got? We got 200 entrants so far. Last giveaway of the night is a Tradeify. Whoa, is this right? Farina Kyle. It was a growth account. And now I see it says lightning. Is that right? Are we really giving away a 50K lightning account? We're giving away okay, that's wrong. Okay. It said growth earlier and it says lightning now. No. She said no. Okay, so it's a growth. Somebody changed the spreadsheet. It's a growth. Okay. It's a growth. Let me get over here to Prop Score. Let's go check out the Tradeify growth accounts. Tradeify 50K growth right here. This is what we're giving away. 40% off. It's $87 with code SCORE right now. Their price per time in market and drawdown per price are top of the line. 9.9 and 9.2. Scores 8.1 overall. There's no consistency on the evaluation, so you can pass it in one day. Does have a daily loss limit on both the evaluation and the funded. You have a 2K max loss limit, 3K profit target on the evaluation. 35% consistency with a 1.3K daily loss limit on the evaluation. You can take out $1,500 every 5 days with a 90% profit split. Banger account. Tradeify. Tradeify, of course, their Grand Cup is going on this week. The knockout rounds start on Wednesday morning. The top 1,000 people from the qualifying round have made it into the knockout rounds. They have 25 outlaws that you can trade against. If you knock one of them out and beat them, you get a $5,000 bounty that you can collect instantly. That's awesome. Tradeify Growth 50K. We're going to be giving away a bunch of Tradeify accounts this week, guys. I promise you, you do not want to miss any show this week. We have 50K selects. We have 100K selects. Like banger accounts from Tradeify all week on the shows, every show. Tradeify is a great company. They are really making waves. They have instant upgrades. If you pass your eval, you can instantly upgrade. They have joined those ranks with Lucid and My Funded Futures and others. They pay out extremely fast. They are a very strong and stable company. Great accounts. You're not gonna want to miss. All right. 8 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, no more entries. I'm grabbing all the names right now. You can stop typing. The names are turned off. Let's get over here to our Wheel of Names for our final entry of the night. 349 of yous are going to get a shot at winning a Tradeify 50K growth account right now. 50K growth account right now. Let's shuffle it up. We're spinning the wheel right now. The winner is Jesu Dean's office. That's an interesting name. Jesu Dean's office. I'm here. I see you. Congratulations, Jesu Dean's office. I'm going to put you into the winner's circle. Tradeify 50K growth. All right, Jesu Dean's office. To claim your prize, you are going to go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video below. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Once they verify that you're not a cheater, you'll get hooked up with your account. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Appreciate that. Secretary, sign him up. You can't get to the Claim Your Win channel? What do you mean? If you go to Prop Score Discord, Prop Score Discord, it's right here. Claim your win. Make sure you're in Prop Score Discord, not Rocket Scooter Discord. You have to join the Prop Score Discord, and then you have to, grab your role, and then you'll be able to see all of the channels in here. Go to the How to Join channel first. It's probably somewhere up at the top around the welcome area. But there's a bunch of channels in there that you're going to want to get into. But Claim Your Win is down here in the giveaways section. He can't get to the channel because he's a bot. Nah. Tried to join, won't let you join. You can't join Discord? I'm not sure, guys. Farina said she'll handle it. Hold on. Stand by. Mama Farina will get all over it right now. I don't know when she sleeps. It's literally like 1 o'clock in the morning over there for her. 2 o'clock in the morning. I don't know. Probably like 3 a.m. I don't even know. Kyle and Farina will get you guys sorted out. Getting a little bit of a sell-off here. How low do we go before this thing turns around? ES is not selling off. ES is kind of holding strong here at the yellow line. NQ getting a little bit of a pullback. I think 30K could be happening tonight, guys. 30K could be happening. Eva Trades, you staying up late. I can't believe you guys stay up all night for this stupid show. It must just be the Silver Fox, the host. I get it. I would too. Bots don't sleep. Farina, you got to get some sleep. You're going to die. You've got to rest. Jeez, Adam, 539. My gosh. Silver box, yeah. I am the better looking Matt. Absolutely. Don't you forget it. And you remind him of that tomorrow morning. Keep you too aroused. Wow. That's hilarious. Well, guys, great start to the week. Thank you for being here for the night shift, for showing up again. I love you all. I'm so blown away by the way you continue to support me and support the show, support the channel. Join Prop Score Discord. Giveaways happening in there all week long. Make sure you check out Matt's show in the morning. He will be streaming tomorrow morning. I'll be in the chat there with you guys hanging out. Remember, don't trade. You don't have to trade tomorrow. If you're close to passing an eval, if you're close to getting a payout, just wait another day. It's fine. No need to push on a low volume, thin book. All right. Just take your time. Wait for the data to come back. Wait for the levels to show up. We have all week to get those payouts and pass these evals. All right. For now, it's time for me to tuck you in, pull up the blankets, turn off the lights, wish you sweet dreams of green. Listen to the greatest closing song in the history of all closing songs. I love you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Night shift is clocking out. If I can get my mouse to come down. Hey, JJ Redbird, have a great night, man. No Life, Tradey, Kevin X, you guys are tucks. Kyle, I'll message you after the stream. 98 SR20, good night. Thunder Donkey, Wax Graham, Bearded Trader, Solo Futures Trader, Adam Daz, Bourbon Bourbon, Rod Trades, Ash Biswal, Elon, I Am Trade, Icy Hop, M System, Zero Trader, Biggest Wickus. You were tucked.
Night shift, clocking out, close the charts.
Zenero, Eva Trades, good night, good night. Lubricated Lightning, good night. Spiv, Learned Trading, Cheryl, Alternator, LWM, good night. I Trade Rocket Scooter, King Gaming, Mackie, Green Hunters, Braille RR, you're tucked. MP Platinum, good night. Kimberly, good night, good night. Disclosed Crypto, E-Mini Man, Bank Robber Trading, T Peeps, Dexter Goes Wild, Brett Allen, Mom Bucks, great night. Love you. Marco Musso, Grand Tyree, AJ's, Wayward Jackalope, you're tough. Terry and San Fran, good night. Kevin X, get tucked. EL Strong, Rhonda Garden, Candles, good night. Have a great night, you tucked. Zero Trader, King, Rogue of the Land, good night, buddy. Eat your carrots. Running on Empty, Eric Robinson, Toasty, Edenstone. Love you guys. Thanks for being here. Good night. Good night, King. dreams, Adam. Ciso DeCenzo. Good talk.